Also. All right. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the Auto 3 Secret Strategies how you can do become an automation tester. Welcome. First of all, if you have joined from wherever you have joined, just let us know for which location you have joined. There is a Q&A session. If you want to ask anything, you can ask me. Okay. Now, very important thing is that today, trust me, this session can change your life. Okay. Please remember, I don't believe in wasting the time. And trust me, you will love the session when after completing the session, right? First of all, let me tell you the rule number one. From which location you have joined, you have to tell me that, okay, I have joined from this. Rule number one. Rule number two, if you have any questions, you can ask on the Q&A tab. There is a Q&A tab. You can ask any question or you can type in the chat itself. I will be replying all the questions. Is that fine? Is that fine? Third thing, before we start, which is very, very important, give me that you have to interact with me. The more you interact, the more you will learn. So how interaction will be? Interaction will be through the chat because my sessions are always interactive. Yes or no? Give me yes in the chat, guys. Give me yes in the chat if you agree with this point. Be interactive because we don't want any dead session, right? Where people are not interactive. Yes. Aditi, Rahul, Ajruddin, good. I can see Hyderabad. Okay, Pavitra, Jaya, Shairam, Jyoti, Sajita. Good. I can see all of you interacting. Awesome. Great. Awesome. Great. Awesome. Priya from Bombay. Okay, good. All right. So I just tell you, right, guys, this is very, very important that nobody is sharing these 3 secret strategies, and only these 3 secret strategy can land you a job into an automation tester. Okay. I hope this makes sense. Is this making sense? Give me yes in the chat if it makes sense. Give me yes in the chat. And how many of you are excited? Pramod sir, I am excited to join and I'm super excited to learn what are these 3 secret strategy. And let us know, is it possible as a fresher, as a manual tester, as a known person, as a career gap person, as a people from a known IT, how we can switch to an automation profile? What is the strategy we need to do and how you have done it? Because I am from a known IT background. Just to let you know, guys, my name is Pramod. I will be basically helping you throughout this 45 minute session around this, where we will be learning this secret strategy that I have learned some. Okay. Very much excited. Okay. Good. Awesome. Everyone is excited, right? Yes. Good. And one last thing is that we will have audio conversation in the end. First of all, let me discuss about the content first. Is that fine? Everyone is fine. Give me fine F in the chat. Everyone agree with this point? I have your permission, right? First of all, let me deliver some content. And after that, you can ask your question. We will have verbal conversation also. You can have verbal conversation with me also in this possible. Fair enough? Is that fine? Is that fine with us? Yes? Why are you so positive? See, you have to be positive, right? Very, very positive in this case. Isn't it? Yes or no? Good. Awesome. So let me share the screen, right? Okay. Do let me know, guys, if you can see my screen. All right. All right. I hope everyone can see the screen, right? Yes or no? Just confirm in the chat, guys, if you can see the screen and if you can see the agenda also. Just give me yes in the chat. Give me yes in the chat if everything is good. Everything is good? Awesome. All right. We are back, guys. We are back. Give me 1 second. It is getting too hot. That's why system is fine. I hope everyone can see the screen, right? Yes. Give me yes in the chat quickly. Give me yes in the chat if everyone is fine. Deepak, yes, I can see your name. Okay, I can see everyone. Okay, don't worry. This is between you and me. Second important thing that you need to pay attention is we are going to discuss. This will be the agenda for this. Agenda is that we will be discussing why you should become an automation tester. How many of you want to become an automation tester? Give me yes in the chat. Give me yes in the chat. Promote, sir, I want to become an automation tester. Okay, let's do one exercise before we start. Shall we? Shall we do one exercise? Yes. Shall we do one exercise? Okay, let's do one exercise. Okay, all of you will see a poll. Okay, I want all of you to fill this poll. Okay. All right. Awesome. Okay, I am back. I hope everyone is with me. Yes. Okay, so let me share the screen also. Okay, so what we are going to discuss, okay, what we are going to discuss in this webinar is, everyone is with me, right? Give me yes in the chat. I hope everyone is able to see the screen. Can anyone confirm that? Okay, Pramod sir, we are able to see the screen and we are able to do yes. Okay. Okay, let's see the responses. Okay, let's see the responses, what people are typing. Okay, let's see. Okay, we'll take 2 more seconds, 5 more seconds. Let's see what are the responses which are coming. Okay. Okay, you are able to see my screen, right? Okay, let me know 1 second, guys. Okay, so agenda for this webinar, right? Agenda will be like, guys, please fill the sheet, because that is very, very important. How many of you are done? Give me D in the chat if you are done. If you are done. Sachin is saying, sir, this is recorded. No. Mohammed is done. Rahul is done. Sandeep is done. Saranya is done. Abhay is done. Sachin is laughing now. Sudhanshu is done. Okay, good, good, good. Guys, I always do my webinars live. Okay. Ashok is not done. Okay, guys, please fill, because I can see the answers. Okay, I can see the answers. Okay, I can see the answers. Okay. Because why you want to become an automation tester? Because it's a demanding skill, job ready. To become a job ready automation tester, guidance. Okay, what is your reason to become an automation tester? Guys, be genuine in this case. Be genuine. Type in the chat. Where is the form? Okay, let me give you the form again. Okay. How many of you are done? How many of you are done? I hope everyone is done. Okay, to make a switch, job ready to become. Okay, good, good, good. All right. Okay, awesome. Okay, many of you are done, right? Awesome. All right. Okay, great. All right. So what will be the agenda for this, right? What will be the agenda for this? Okay, why you should become an automation tester? We are going to discuss about this. We are going to discuss about manual versus automation, right? ROC, roadmap to become an automation tester. What are the projects we need to do? What are the myths that we have for the automation testing? And we are going to discuss about the Q&A session in the end. Okay. And I'm going to reveal the 3 secrets which will basically make sure that nobody is telling you, trust me, that nobody is telling you how to become an automation tester in this case. Okay. Guys, just to let you know, this is between you and me. This is between you and me. Just type done in the chat if you're done. And I don't see, very important thing is, guys, very important thing. This is a webinar where you are giving your time. Yes or no? What is the currency right now? What is the currency right now? Currency is you are giving your time. And I want to make sure that your time is not wasted and my time is also not wasted. Is that fine? Everyone agree with this point? So I need to make sure that I deliver some important content to you. And I deliver what will basically, which will give you a trigger to become an automation tester. Is that fine? Agree with this point? Give me A in the chat if you agree with this point. Give me A in the chat, guys, if you agree with this point. All the people. Vamsi, Jyoti, good, 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 good. I can see Ram, Lakshmi. And one more thing is this is between you and me. Don't feel that what other people are asking. Okay. If you have any doubt, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You have to ask the question to me. Okay. This is very, very important. Q&A session is there. You have to ask the question. Okay. Now do let me know. Let's do one exercise. Shall we do one exercise? What exactly do you see? Type in the chat. Quickly type in the chat. What exactly do you see? Okay. Vamsi has given the answer. Naveen, good. Rajita, Farhan, good. Harris has given the answer. Gomti, good, good. Krishna, Sneha. If you're done, just type done in the chat also. If you're done. Good, 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 good. Saurav, Karan, Sashi Karan, good, good, good. Sir, lazy rabbit. How many of you see rabbit? Okay. How many of you see duck? Anyone who see duck? Give me D in the chat. If you just tilted like this, right? Do you see duck? Yes or no? Right? Now I want to check if you are really a software engineer or not. Okay. Shall I discuss? What is the answer? How many of you want answer? Pramod sir, I want answer. Give me A in the chat. Give me A in the chat. Pramod sir, I want answer for this. Okay. The answer is how many of you missed the grass? How many? Give me I in the chat. Pramod sir, I miss the grass. Grass is also there, right? Yes or no? So as a software tester, you should have a very keen eye or good observation, isn't it? Yes or no? How many of you? I didn't miss. Okay, Shri is saying I didn't miss, sir. Okay, good, 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 good. Awesome. Dipali saying that yes, I have done it. I didn't see that image. I can't see the image. Oh, is it? Sir, grass, duck, rabbit. Okay, good, good, good. So tell me, guys, if you want to learn anything, don't you need clarity? How many of you agree with this point? Give me A in the chat. Guys, the more you interact, the more you will learn. This is very, very important. The more you interact, the more you will learn, isn't it? Yes. The one thing that you need is a clarity, right? And what you are learning from a person. Guys, just to let you know, my name is Pramod. I have been to industry for 12 plus years. By the way, I'm just telling you, I am a SDET manager right now. I have 30 plus people under me as an automation tester. So if what you are learning right now, the secrets that you are learning, right, trust me, nobody is telling you in the market. And I want to make sure that your time is not wasted in this case. Clear? Is that clear? Pinky promise on this point? Give me yes in the chat. Hiram is saying yes. Okay, good. Okay. So my clarity, what is the clarity you want to give? You want to give clarity I want to give you is what are the topics I need to learn, Pramod sir? Pramod sir, what is the topic I want to learn? What is the roadmap I have to follow? Yes or no? How many of you face this issue? Give me 2 in the chat if you face this issue. Give me 1 in the chat. What are the topics I need to learn, Pramod sir? What is the salary I need to get? Please let me know, sir, as an automation engineer, as a fresher, if I join, what is the salary I will get? Give me 3 in the chat. How much time it will take to become an automation tester, sir? Please let us. Is this your question? Yes or no? Right? Is coding required to become an automation tester? Yes. And the most important one, which I have marked red, if it is you also, Pramod sir, I have a coding fear. Can I do it or not? Because I also had a coding fear, guys. I was a manual tester. I was a electronics and communication student, non-IT student. And how I was able to switch right in this webinar, step by step, I'm going to tell you. Is this clear? Is this clear? So you are going to get a lot of value in this webinar. Make sure that you make a lot of notes. Is this enough? Is this clear? Give me yes in the chat. Give me yes in the chat, guys. Give me yes in the chat if you are with me. And guys, one more thing. There are many people who are asking some random questions. Okay, don't. So I will be not be reading them, but there are very, very important people who are asking very important questions. So this is between you and me. Just remember. Is this clear? Nisha, no, recordings will not be shared. This is just for us. Just for us. And one more thing is, I'm going to give you 5+ bonuses into into this session. Okay. How many of you are ready for the bonuses? Give me yes in the chat. Promoter, I want bonuses. Yes or no? Yes. So you need to make sure that you interact with me. You just need to say yes in the chat, because if you don't say interact with me, right, I really hate those people who don't interact with me. What is the point of attending, right? Yes or no? If you are not interacting. And if you have any question, ask on the Q&A session. How many of you want to ask, sir, as a fresher, can I become an automation tester? All the freshers, give me F in the chat. If you are a fresher, give me F in the chat quickly. If you are from a fresher background, Pramod sir, my motive is I want to become an automation tester to get a 30 to 40% hike, to get a stable job, to basically get a good company, right? This is what I want. Okay. As a manual tester, can I basically learn an automation or not after 1 year, 3 years, 7 years, right? Whatever it is, right? Do let me know, right? If it is you are a manual tester, give me M in the chat. Give me N in the chat, guys. Give me M in the chat. Good, good, good. Okay. So Amardeep is there, guys. So Amardeep is saying, sir, don't waste my time. Okay, guys. Are we wasting the time? What do you think, guys? What do you think? Are we wasting the time? See, guys, please remember, these kind of people are always there. They don't get a value. Because I'll tell you why. These people will not able to learn anything new because they want quick results. And nobody will get a quick results, right? Yes or no? Guys, how many of you agree with this point? Prashant, Jaya, Abhay, good, good, good. Shriram, Saurabh, right? Sir, please ignore those people. Okay, good. See, there are many people, okay? They generally join the webinar. They think that I will do some magic thing. No, but I have to tell you a proper thing, right? Isn't it? Give me yes in the chat. So that I will try to answer all your questions. Guys, I have 12+ year in automation tester. So definitely I can help you in some of the way. The challenges that you are going to face, right? I have already done it. Isn't it? Yes. Good, good, good. Awesome. As a known IT person, can I do it or not? How many of you are from known IT? Give me N in the chat. Useless people can leave. Okay, good, good, good. Awesome. All right, good, good, good. Okay. So all these things we are going to discuss. As a fresher, as a manual tester, or as a known IT people who feel sad, I want to make sure that you get converted to automation tester to get a high salary, to get a higher salary, to get a decent job, and to secure a job in good product-based company. Is this clear? I hope agenda is clear now. Everyone is clear with the agenda. Give me yes in the chat. Pramod sir, I am clear with the agenda. I am clear with the agenda, right? We are clear with this agenda, right? So this is what we are going to discuss. 3 secret strategies to basically make you an automation tester as a fresher, as a known IT, or as a manual tester. We want to jump into the automation. How we can do it? What is the secret that we have? Okay, this is what exactly we are going to discuss. Okay. Rahul, I will answer your question. Okay, don't worry. I am clear with the agenda, right? Good, good, good. Okay, so let me just change this to webinar and let's create a notes also side by side, right? Yes. Let's create a notes side by side also. Fair enough? Okay. Okay. So this is what we are going to discuss. So let me create a notes so that you side by side, I will share these notes with you. Okay, don't worry. So this is ATB webinar that we are going to discuss. So our agenda is this as of now, right? This is what we want. Our target is this. Okay. Our target is we want to become an automation tester, right? This is what we want to become, right? This is clear. Everyone is clear with this point. Yes. Okay. So I will delete that. We'll do this later part. Okay. We'll do this later part. Okay. Just, I want to check this. There's one principle that all of you have to pay attention. Okay. There's one principle that all of you have to pay attention. How many of you are ready? Give me R in the chat. Ready for this principle? It is a very important principle if you want to become an automation tester. Okay. Very important principle. Guys, very important thing is this is called as circle of competence. This is invented by Alex Hormozy, okay, who is a very, very important marketing guy. He told us that this is the part which you should know. Okay. This is the part that what you know, only smaller part. Okay. If we take This is only smaller part is exactly what you know. Okay. For example, all of you know what is an automation testing, how to become an automation tester. Okay, this is what automation is. But most I have seen hundreds of YouTube videos. Okay, I have know this, right? How many of you are able to relate? But there is a outer layer, which what you think you know, but you don't know. There is very deep concept. Okay, pay attention what I'm trying to say. There are many things that you think you know, but you don't know. That we are going to discuss into this webinar. I hope everyone is clear with this point. Yes or no? I'll tell you what are the things that you think you know, but you don't know. Topics you don't know. Which live projects will basically fetch you a job. Give me yes in the chat if you are able to relate. Which live project, if we do, will fetch you a job? Which Selenium concept I will learn will make us an automation tester? Which Java program I have to do, which will basically make sure I will become an automation tester? How much time it will take to become an automation tester? What is the salary I will get to become an automation tester? This is what you think you know, but you don't know. This is where I will be helping you as a mentor. Everyone is clear or not? Give me clear in the chat. Give me C in the chat if you are clear. This is exactly where this webinar is. This is where I'm going to discuss with you. Okay, this is exactly the thing. But guys, I can see many people who are not typing. Okay, please make sure that you type, because I will be sharing a lot of bonuses as well as details with you. And you have to create a notes in this case. Okay, you have to create a note, because this is can change your life. Guys, let me tell you, this things nobody is telling you over the internet. How many of you are now interested? Give me yes in the chat. Nobody's telling you over the internet. Okay, let me tell you this. But before we move forward, who is an automation tester? There are many people who don't know who is an automation tester. Pramod sir, what is this automation tester means? Yes. Who is this automation tester, right? How many of you don't know? How many of you know? Give me yes in the chat. Pramod sir, I know what is an automation tester. Okay, tell me what is an automation tester? Who is an automation tester, guys? If you don't know, just type no in the chat. Okay, many people don't know. Mix. It is kind of a mix. Okay, let me ask you a simple question. Shall I ask you a simple question? Yes. Everyone can see the iPad also, right? Everyone can see the iPad? Everyone can see the iPad, right? Yes. Okay. Okay. Now, guys, tell me, suppose this is a website. This is a website. This is a website which has email. Here you need to enter email and password, and you need to click this button. This is one scenario that we have. Okay. This is what we need to do. Okay. Let me show you in real life. Shall I show you in real life also? Pramod sir, share us a real example. Okay. This will basically help us to understand, right? Yes or no? So consider this scenario. Guys, I have this email ID. I have this email ID and I have a password. I have a password. Okay. And my manager told me, okay, do one thing. I have one username, admin@admin.com, and password is admin, and click on sign in button. Okay. One user is not working. Okay. This user is not working. Yes or no? This user is not working, right? How many of you are clear with this scenario? How many of you are clear with this scenario? Simple scenario. Simple scenario. Any? Manually, I am testing this. Okay. Manually, I am testing this scenario. Okay. Now, guys, tell me, if I have to test with one username, and password, how much time it will take? Tell me how much time it will take. Guess. Any guess? Any guess? 2 minutes. Okay. Somebody is saying, sir, 2 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay. Somebody is saying, sir, 10 minutes. Okay. 10 minutes. Let's say. Suppose 10 minutes it is taking. Okay. Now, guys, tell me, if I increase this to 100 user, now tell me how much time it will take? Sir, okay, 100 minutes. Okay. Sir, a lot. 100 minutes. Okay. 100 minutes, one day. One day we don't have. Okay. Now tell me, if my manager is crazy. Okay. My manager is crazy. My manager told me we have to do it for 10,000 users within a span of 2 hours. Can I do it or not? Can I do it? It is possible. What do you think, guys? Yes or no? Give me yes or no in the chat. Yes or no in the chat. Is it possible? Kill the manager. Okay. No. Then what should we do? We will write some automation code. Yes or no? Then what we will do, guys? What we will do for this application? we will write some code. Yes or no? Some code we can write, some automation code in Java we can basically add. Yes or no? And that can do it. Yes or no? So this is what basically an automation tester do. I hope everyone is clear. Everyone is clear with this point? Give me clear in the chat. So this is how how many of you can see that? So this is what a code which is written. Okay. I'm not explaining the code, but I'm telling you, this is suppose a code which is given to us. How many of you can see that if I run this code, you will see automatically a browser will come and it will start adding the username and password. When you see it, just give me yes in the chat if you see the demo. Okay. So let it run. Let it run. So hypothetically, if we create a script, suppose this is a script that I have created. Okay. A script that I have created. And now what will happen is this is done by the automation automatically. Isn't it amazing? What do you think, guys? Isn't it amazing? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. How to get it tested? Everything I will explain you. Okay. Later part I will explain you. But let me show you. Okay. How many of you can see that a browser open? I have my hands here, right? Yes or no? How many of you can see a browser open? Give me yes in the chat. And automatically that website is loading. See, this is where my hands are. Okay. I don't have 4 hands. Okay. Clear? Everyone is with me? So automatically that website will open and it will enter the username and detail. Isn't it simple problem? Yes or no? It will solve your problem. How many of you agree with this point? Give me yes in the chat. Give me yes in the chat. Performance is very low. By this performance low because my Mac is hanging, guys. Performance is not low. Okay, by the way, so it is basically, it will start and it will start executing, right? Yes, because the code is written in such a way, right? Yes, absolutely right in this case. Okay, so it will run. Okay, demos always fail, right? Yes or no, guys? Live demos always fail. How many of you have faced this? Live demos always fail, right? Yes or no? So right now, if you see, it is taking so much time. I don't know what it is waiting, but now it is done. Okay, now it is started. Yes, always fails. Many times my client also fails. But I hope everyone can see. Now website has loaded, right? Yes or no? And we will be able to enter some details. Yes, I can see. How many of you are able to relate? How many of you are able to relate? Okay. This is what exactly an automation tester does. Yes. Yes. Right. So full screen is done. And if you can see, I'm not entering the username password. How many of you can see that? Automatically sign in is done. Yes. Able to relate. So this will open this. Okay. I'm just closing the demo. Closing the demo. Rest of the things you guys don't need. Okay. Now let's stop the session. Okay. This demo is done. Okay, good. So I hope everyone is able to understand who is an automation tester. What exactly is an automation tester? As a manual tester, we basically test the manual applications manually, right? But as an automation tester, we write some code. How many of you are with me? Give me W in the chat. We write some code to test the application. Yes? Yes or no? This is what we do, right? Yes or no? Before I discuss 3 secrets, I need to explain the automation tester also, right? So that everyone is agree with this. Okay. Now you guys tell me, okay? You guys tell me. You guys tell me. This is a common trend that nowadays you have seen. Okay. This is what exactly, if you agree with this, let me know, guys. Tell me. When we have 100 test cases, then we have one manual tester. Okay. Is this fine? Right? So companies, basically when we have 100 test cases, one manual tester was there. The moment they have 10,000 test cases, they will hire more manual tester, or they will hire an automation tester who can automate this scenario. Which one they will hire? MT or AT? Type MT or AT in the chat. Which one? Automation tester, isn't it? Yes or no? Guys, this is what I'm telling you. So nowadays, how many of you can see that manual testing jobs are going down? If you discuss this by time, this is 2000. This is 2020. This is 2024. Yes or no? How many of you agree with this point? And automation jobs are nowadays increasing. What do you think, guys? This is what is happening right now in 2024 and something. Yes, this is what happening right now. All the manual tester, give me yes in the chat if you agree with this point. All the manual tester. Okay. Sudhanshu, Priyanshu, okay, good. Priya, Gagan, Jekans, Saranya, Shekhar, Shruti, all awesome, awesome, awesome. All of you agree with this point, right? Yes. So that's what happening in the market. Yes, Ashok, I can see you. Okay. That's what happening in the market. Everyone is clear with this point? Clear with this point? So as an automation tester, what exactly they do? They write scripts, right? Karan saying, I am also agreeing. Okay. They write code, they troubleshoot, they design test cases and many things in this case, right? So why you should become an automation tester? Guys, what was your reason? Type in the chat. Now I'm going to tell you about me. Okay. Vamsi, no, I cannot see you. Vamsi is saying, sir, can you see me on? I can see every message, guys. I can see every message. Bored with manual testing. Okay. Bored with manual testing. Lack of job in manual testing. Safe future, good cash. Okay. Raja is saying salary growth. Gain knowledge. Guys, let me know why you should become an automation tester. High salary growth, upscale, better salary, lack of manual testing, salary increment, going forward career, job satisfaction. Good. So all of you agree with this point. Couple of important points, right? Yes or no? All of you agree with this point. Now let's see a common trend. So jobs in automation testing is continuously increasing, right? Everyone agree with this point? This is clear. This is clear in the chat. Yes. And let me tell you, okay, why you should become an automation tester. Okay, now I'm going to tell you a very important story. Okay, let me tell you guys. When I was, how many of you are ready for my story? Give me yes in the chat. Promos. How many of you want to listen my story, guys? How I was able to switch from manual to automation. Ready? You have to type the keyword. Keyword is ready for R. Ready for art. Very excited. Good. Okay, good. See, guys, when I have started around 2010 or something, right? I have started. So, of course, in 2008, there was 2008, 2009, there was a heavy recession. Yes or no? How many of you remember Lehman Brothers recession? Anyone remember that? Lehman Brothers recession? Yes or no? Anyone remember that? Yes. So around that time, 2010 or 11, right? We didn't get any job. After doing my bachelor degree in electronics and communication, I didn't get any job. I went to Bangalore there. Okay, I went to Bangalore there, and I was just searching for the job. I was continuously searching for the jobs and everything, right? Then, luckily, I'll tell you where I was living and everything, right? Luckily, I got a job in Accenture. Okay, anyone here in Accenture? Anyone here in Accenture? And I was getting a salary. Do you want to know my salary? How many of you want to know? Okay, I went to in Accenture. Okay, and as a manual tester, I joined a profile, guys. I joined a profile which is a manual testing profile, and I had got 2.96 LPA in INR. Do you think it is a decent salary? How many of you think? Abhay saying, show us your salary slip. Okay. Abhay, don't believe me. Okay. Do you think? Not at all, right? It is not a decent, right? Whereas my friend who joined as an automation tester in a good product based company, at the same time got almost 5.5 LPA as a fresher. Do you think it's a decent package? Do you think it's a decent package? I think so. It's a decent package as compared to that, right? Yes or no? And then I asked this person, okay? Then I asked this guy, okay, what exactly you are doing? To be honest, I was bored. Manual testing was boring. Second thing is, I want to get a higher salary, okay? I want to get a higher salary. 2.96 LPA was nothing for me. Okay, this was my reason. And if somebody is telling you, no, join a company where you will learn, blah, blah, blah. No, I want to get higher salary. This was my reason, right? Yes or no? For how many of you this is the reason? This is the reason. Give me yes in the chat. Give me yes in the chat. This is your reason. Nisha, Himanshu, Lochan. And don't feel shy. Guys, let me tell you, money is important. Yes or no? Throughout 12 plus years of experience, I'm telling you, money is important. Okay. Money is very, very, very important. Okay. This is what important is. Okay. Then this guy told me the 3 secrets. Now you guys ready? This guy told me the 3 secrets, which I'm going to discuss to become an automation tester. Okay. Clear? Now everyone is ready. I hope everyone is now ready with this point. Yes. Clear? Good. Awesome. All right. So let's get started. Okay. So if you want to target, okay, so what is the salary in as an automation tester in Bangalore? 6.46 as a fresher when you join. When you join as a fresher, do you think it's a decent salary, guys? Yes or no? How many of you think that it's a decent salary? It is a average salary if you join a good product based company. You have to target what? What is the learning that you have? What is the learning that you have to target good product based company? This is very, very important, right? And let me tell you, guys, as a fresher, you can get 11 lakhs per annum as an automation tester also. If you are a fresher, do let me know, is it a decent salary or not? Guys, by the way, I was working as a QA lead there. I was working as a QA lead. BrowserStack is a very famous unicorn company. A very famous unicorn company in this case. Very decent. Wow. Good, good, good. Yes or no? Okay. If we talk about in USA, right? If we talk about in USA, it is 90K, which is very, very decent, right? Which is very, very decent in this case. Okay. Now, the question is who should learn or become an automation tester? If you are a manual tester, you want to become an automation tester, this is very, very important. Give me M in the chat if you're a manual tester. If you are a fresher, DevOps or dev, you want to get a higher salary, directly jump into the automation directly if you want to do. Give me F in the chat if you agree. If you are a fresher, want to directly jump as an automation tester. Okay. If you are a known IT person who's like me, if you are from a BCom, BCA, MBA, or mechanical background, right? You want to get into the software testing. The only way is to learn by doing the automation. How you can do it. This is exactly we are going to discuss now. Everyone is clear with this point? Give me clear in the chat if you're clear with this point. So let me tell you about myself. Can I discuss about myself, guys, for 2 seconds more? Okay. So, guys, my name is Pramod. I have not told you about it, but let me tell you. Okay. So I have 12 plus years experience as a software tester. Okay. 15K students I have already taught, and I have a YouTube channel. I run a YouTube channel with 1. I think it is now 1.545. Okay. I have not updated it. How many of you have seen? Anyone has seen the Testing Academy YouTube channel? Yes. Nikas, we are going to discuss. Yes. Okay. So let me tell you guys, I have created more than 800 plus videos. So this is my YouTube channel, guys, where I have done 146,000K subscribers and 813 videos I have created. I'm creating videos from 2019. Okay, almost 2017 I am creating, but there was one channel which got deleted. But again, I have restarted in 2019. So whatever that I am discussing right now in this webinar, trust me, these secrets will help you now. I think now you guys, your mindset is now ready to adopt the 3 secrets. Everyone is clear? Now you guys are ready to start with the 3 secret strategy. Everyone is clear with this point? Because I have to make sure that your time is good. So till now, what we have learned? Till now, what we have learned, guys? So if I open the eraser, till now, Pramod sir, we have discussed about who is an automation tester. What we have discussed till now. Okay, so let me tell you. Okay, till now, what we have discussed. Okay, by the way, this is laggy. We have discussed that circle of competence. Yes, circle of competence we have discussed. Circle of competence. What is an automation tester? We have discussed, right? Why you should become an automation tester? We have discussed. Salary point of view, we have discussed. Jobs point of view, we have discussed. Automation, something that we have to learn, right? Everyone is clear with this point or not? And this is where I need to make sure that your mindset is ready for the 3 secrets. Clear? Everyone is with me? Sir, you are excited. Yes? Okay, good. Okay. But before we jump into it, there are a couple of questions from all of us. Pramod sir, which is, I have a coding fear. Yes or no? How many of you have this question? Give me one in the chat if you are that person. Pramod sir, I have a coding fear. Can I do it? Can I do it? Okay. What is the time duration? What is the time duration for, what is the time duration it will take? I have a career gap and other things, right? How, please discuss all this in this case. Okay. So let's discuss this one by one. Shall we discuss one by one? Shall we discuss one by one? Yes. 3 secrets and everything. Let's discuss. But before we move, there is one disclaimer. How many of you are ready for disclaimer? Give me R in the chat. Give me R in the chat. Disclaimer is, if you hate coding, if you avoid practice, if you don't like to work on project, you cannot become an automation tester. Disconnect this webinar immediately. Which means coding fear is one. Hating coding is two. If you have a coding fear can be removed. Coding fear, I will help you to remove. But if you hate coding, case number two, I cannot help you. You have to disconnect the webinar immediately. Okay, clear? If you are case number 1 or 2, type in the chat. If you have a coding fear, that is fine, because mine is 1. I'm going to type mine is 1. Okay, by the way, mine is 1. Let me type it. Mine is 1. Coding fear we can remove. I can remove the coding fear, right? And I love to do practice. I will not avoid practice. I love to do projects. Then only you can become an automation tester. Else you will not able to clear. Fair enough? Everyone is with me? Everyone is serious? Give me I am serious in the chat. Promoter, I am really serious, and you have to interact with me. Okay, very, very important. The more you interact, the more you will learn. Okay, good. Now let's discuss about the secret number 1. Shall we discuss? Yes or no? Shall we discuss? Yes or no? Okay. Secret number 1. How many of you are ready? Secret number 1. Secret number 1 says that you have to get a clarity. What is the first word that I told you? Guys, secret number 1 basically says, secret number 1 says that if you want to get a clarity, okay, if you want to learn anything, you have to get a clarity. From where you will get a clarity? From where you will get a clarity? When you have topics and roadmap. Roadmap clear, isn't it? Give me yes in the chat if you agree with this point. Yes or no? If you have topic list and the correct topic list and the roadmap. Yes or no? Guys, tell me, if I tell you if you want to go from Delhi to Bangalore, how you can go? How you can go from Delhi to Bangalore, guys? What exactly do you need? Okay, you can go by train, flight, train, bus, walking, right? Yes or no? Many things there. You can use many things in this case, but you need a proper roadmap to reach there, right? Yes or no? Okay, if you are using a flight, I will go to airport first, then I will take a flight, then through airport, I will do that. Yes or no? How many of you agree with this point? This is exactly this roadmap. And secret number 1, he told me, was this. Okay, he told me that, Pramod, if you want to learn to become an automation tester, right, you have to basically learn one important thing, which is, first one is that you should have a clear topics list. Is this fine? So let me show you. How many of you are ready? So this is what I have done, guys. So let me tell you, okay. So this webinar, guys, if you don't know, I am teaching from last 3 years. Okay, by the way, just to let you know. So many students told me, sir, Pramod sir, what is a list of topic that we should know to become an automation tester? I told them, okay, this is the list that we have. Many people have rough idea, but they don't know the exact idea. What are the topic lists that they should know? Okay, so what is the thing that you should be knowing? First one is clear roadmap and clear topic list. Yes or no? Yes or no? So let me show you the roadmap. How many of you are with me? How many of you want to see? So let me show you the road. Okay. What if I tell you, what do you think, guys? Can anyone guess? What is the duration? What is the duration it will take to become an automation tester? If I ask you, what is the duration it will take? Okay. Any guess? 3 months, 4 months, 4 months, 6 months, 4 months, 4 months, 4 months. Okay, good. All of you maximum guesses are 4 months. Okay, good. 4 months, 4 months, 3, 4, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4. 1 year? 1 year is too much. Okay. Okay. Let me give you the roadmap. But there is one promise you have to make before I show you. Before I show you the promise, you have to give me pinky promise. Okay. PP. Give me PP, pinky promise. Type PP in the chat. Pinky promise. Pinky promise is, guys, let me tell you, this roadmap we have created before you, more than 2000 plus students last year only has already added all the details which is required you to become an automation tester. So this is the core pillar that you need to understand. Core pillar is you have to learn Java, API testing, and Selenium. Okay, let me zoom out a little bit. Shall we? This is exactly the 4-month plan. Okay, how many of you are with me? Give me W in the chat. So let me explain you properly. Okay, let me explain you properly. First condition for this. First condition for this is, first condition. What is the first condition? Is this we have. First condition is, if you can give 1 hour per day or 4 to 5 hours per week. How many of you can do? Then only you can become an automation tester, else you can't. Give me I in the chat. Pramod sir, I can do it. I can do it. Give me I in the chat. Okay. And it is a 4-month plan. Guys, just to let you know, more than 2000 plus students have already used this. Okay. This is very, very important that you need to pay attention. Okay. Sir, I can give 2 hours per day, Ganesh is saying. Okay. So what is the strategy we need to follow? For 10 days, 7 to 10 days, we have to do software testing, which is manual testing. If somebody is telling you that manual testing is not important now, trust me, they are lying. How many of you manual tester agree with this point? Give me A in the chat. Give me A in the chat if you agree with this one. If somebody is telling you manual testing is not important, trust me, they are lying. But we can cover manual testing, all the concept in 7 to 10 days, right? Yes or no? In 10 hours, we can complete maximum number of high level important tests. Agree with this point? Give me A in the chat if you agree with this point. Yes, maximum. Srishti, Ashok, Raja, Balaji, all of you are saying that. Yes. For next 30 days, your plan should be that you have to focus on core Java. Okay, guys, one important point is people basically have this misconception that core Java is this big, Java programming is this big. But to become an automation tester, you need only this part. Yes or no? Everyone is clear? You need only this part. Everyone is getting clarity or not? Which part, Pramod sir? Which part? That's why I have created another 30-day of plan of learning Java. In 30 days, how we will cover, Pramod sir? What are the topics we need to cover? Let me share with you. Let me share with you how you are going to cover in this case. Okay. How many of you are with me? Give me W in the chat. How many of you want to see also? So this is exactly the things which basically, if you learn, you can basically remove what we call, you can learn Java in 30 days. Okay. So these 3 strategies we have divided. Okay. These are enough topic to become an automation tester. Of course, there are more, but in 30 days, you need to target for 3 core module. What is the core module? First module is 1 core Java. Second is OOPS concept. Third one is collection framework. How many modules? Type in the chat. How many modules? 3 modules. 3 major modules we need to target. Okay. After that, what we need to target? After that, we need to target for 100 coding questions, lead code challenges, and hacker rank. But Pramod sir, what are the different topics I need to give? Okay, so let me show you a topic list. Sir, I want this. I want this. Okay, how many of you want this? Give me I in the chat. Give me I in the chat if you want this. Okay. Guys, the more you interact, the more you will understand. Okay. Please remember this. Okay. Now, guys, tell me if I give you this topic list, I'll give you this topic list. Okay. In this topic list, I have mentioned what are the topics we need to learn for software testing. What are the topics we need to learn for core Java? What are the topics we need to learn for Selenium? What are the topics we need to learn for API automation? And what you do is you will mark the date. You will mark the date and just say yes or no in the chat. Don't you think it will give you a clarity? How many of you feel wow? Give me yes in the chat. Amazing. Ajit is saying, sir, wow. Sudeep is saying, sir, wow. Yes or no? All these topics are important that we need to basically target. For core Java, we need to target this 30 days. Yes or no? Yes. Guys, tell me if what you need to do is I will share a link with you. What you need to do is just make a copy and keep it to yourself. I will share a 30-day plan with you also. And let me know, guys, if we do, but there are people are saying, sir, very important thing is, okay, core Java, you are saying 30 days we will do, right? And if we do 150 plus important interview automation courses also, question also, don't you think it will work? Yes or no? Okay. Let me ask you before I show you this, okay, let me ask you one quick question. Okay. How many of you are with me? Give me yes in the chat. Pramod sir with you. Okay. How many of you are with me? Let me tell you a story. Before I tell you a story, right? Okay, let me tell you a story. Okay. Guys, I wanted to learn about swimming. Okay. I wanted to learn I wanted to learn about swimming. Okay. How many of you know swimming? Give me yes in the chat. And how many of you don't know? I always love to swim. Okay. But I am a swimmer, guys. I love swimming. No? Many people don't know. Okay. Many people know. Okay, good. So I had a 7 feet pool fear. Okay. What I had? How much? How much it is? 7 feet pool fear. I had a 7 feet pool fear. Okay. Then one of my friend told me, okay, do one thing. Okay. So what I was doing is I was watching YouTube videos. Okay. I was watching lot of YouTube videos. Do you think, guys, I will be able to learn swimming through this? Yes or no? Sir, QA don't swim. Don't you think? Do you think that? Yes or no? Somebody saying, sir, friend spelling is wrong. Okay. Good. Good observation. Okay. Okay. Learn swimming not possible, right? Practical is important, right? Yes. Okay. So one of my friend told me, okay, do one thing. There is a mentor in the academy. There is one academy. Okay. There's one academy. Join that. Okay. I said, okay, fine. I will join. I will join practically. Okay. Then I joined nearby only. I joined a swimming academy. Okay. I told him I have a fear of 7 feet pool. Okay. 7 feet pool. He told me, okay, do one thing. There is a 3 feet kids pool. Can you do for 30 days? Can you basically swim there for 30 days? I said, fine. Yes or no? Yes. What do you think? It is easy. And I was very comfortable after 30 days. Okay. He told me, your height is already 5'8". Your height is already 5'8". 5 feet pool, you will feel easy. You will feel easy. Just jump into it. Okay. I said, okay, fine. And after 30 guys, after 15 more days, I was very much comfortable in 5 feet pool. Is this clear? Everyone is with me? Give me W in the chat. Promoter with you till now. Then after only 20th day, next 20th day, around 50th day, he told me, okay, do one thing. Let's jump for 7 feet pool for 30 minutes. Then you can come back to 5 feet pool. I said, okay, fine. That is fine. Okay. Then basically I jumped into the 7 feet pool. 30 minutes I was doing, then come back to 5 feet pool, and I was become very comfortable. So after next 20 days, I was comfortable in the 7 feet pool. What exactly did you learn, guys, from this? But Pramod sir, why you are telling this story? What is the reason why you are telling this story? What is the reason, guys? See my saying, sir, learn step by step. Okay. Somebody saying step by step. Okay. Practice. Okay. What else? Practical. Step by step. Fear. Right. Exactly which I am trying to tell you. Okay. My mentor told me, if you have a fear, if you want to remove your fear, you have to jump into it. Yes or no? How many of you agree with this point? If you agree, give me yes in the chat. Are you getting the value or not? Tell me, guys, are you getting the value? I hope your time is not wasted, right? Yes or no? Not wasted. Time is not wasted, right? Yes. Okay. So this is exactly what I have done. So if you want to remove your coding fear, what you need to do, guys? What you need to do? You have to jump into it. Yes. What you need to do is you have to perform 150 plus automation questions. If you do 30 days of Java, guys, and if you do practice for next 3 months for coding, do you think you will be 30 to 30% more ready towards, see, I'm not saying 100%, but 20 to 30% more ready towards the automation interview? Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? How many of you agree? How many of you agree with this point? If I share with you the 30-day plan, this is the plan strategy that you need to do. If I share with you, these are the topics that you need to follow. Okay, one day I will learn about Java features. Another day I will learn about the Java things. One day I will learn about control statements, right? And not only that, I will be doing 150 plus automation tester interview that I have found questions. Guys, I have curated all the questions into the one sheet where I have added all the important questions we generally ask in the interviews question. Don't you think it will remove your coding fear? if we do it daily? Give me yes in the chat. If you do it daily, it will remove your coding questions. For example, string reverse, palindrome, lead code challenges also are important, which we have added 15 plus lead code challenges. Hash map questions, anagrams, right triangle. By the way, this is very common question. Right triangle, left triangle in this case. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no, guys? Tell me, if we perform 30 days coding questions, and if you basically use this, not only that, if you basically perform this learning by 30 days for Selenium, it will take like 40 days and 10 days in this case. Then 4 months is enough to become an automation tester if you follow the roadmap and the topics. Is this making sense? How many of you are clear? I hope secret number 1 is clear. Is this clear? Yes. Is this clear or not? Tell me, guys. Are you getting the value or not? Tell me. How many of you are you getting, guys? Nobody, trust me, nobody is sharing these kind of information, right? Yes or no? How many of you agree with this point? Give me yes or no in the chat. Agree? Okay. Now tell me, guys, if you follow this plan, if you follow this, your coding fear will be removed. Yes or no? This system that you have done, more than 2000 plus students have already tested this. So what you have just now saw, it is already well tested. Yes, agree? Give me yes in the chat. And I hope secret number 1 is clear. Secret number 1 is clear or not? Yes. So how many of you are loving the session till now? Pramod sir, loving the session till now, able to relate, able to understand what you are trying to say. Okay. So just to let you know, guys, this is a roadmap which more than 2000 plus students have already used. What they have followed is same thing: software testing, programming language, API testing, web automation, and CI/CD. Where you are basically making a mistake is, what people do is people learn Selenium, they miss the API testing, they miss the CI/CD part. That is very, very important that we need to make sure. So overall, in a nutshell, if you agree, these are the core things we need to do. Yes or no? Learning a programming language, learning API testing, and learning Selenium. Isn't it? Give me yes in the chat. Give me yes in the chat if you are clear with this point. Okay. Awesome. Okay. So let me tell you about a couple of failures before we start. Okay, guys. As a fresher, I was rejected in 27 plus companies. As a fresher. Okay, how many times you have rejected? Tell me in the chat, guys. Give me your numbers. As a fresher, how many times you got rejected? 5. Sudeep is saying 15 times, 10 times, 27. 450 times. Rejected by 800 times. Nice pick. More than 7 times. 7, 5, 7, 2, 1. Rejection is just a number. Vikas is saying. Okay, guys, just to let you know, I got rejected by 27 plus companies. Can you imagine? Can you imagine that? And still, I have applied for tech support role, dev role, backend role, even SEO role, a non-IT role also. Still, I got rejected in the multiple companies. Still, I have 800 plus videos, 5.5 million of views. Browser Stack Champion, Postman, Supernova, cracked Amazon.com, Browser Stack, Wingify, and many more unicorn product-based companies, and achieved a lot of achievement in this case. Okay. And by the way, I just got an award from Mohammad Kaif also, guys. Just last Sunday, I got an award from Mohammad Kaif also. I'll share a pic with you also. Okay. Pramod is in custody. Congrats, sir. Thank you. I don't have a screenshot. I'll share with you. Okay. Let me check if it is available. Okay. Now, but why I am telling you all this? I am telling you all this? What is the reason? What do you think, guys? Why I am telling you about my failures? Why I am telling you? Tell me. For inspiration? No. Because I want to tell you very important thing. Because if this is the reason, if a person from a known IT like me can do it, you can do it too. It is just that you don't have clarity of the topics, clarity of the roadmap. That's it. agree with this point, give me A in the chat if you agree with this point. If you agree with this point, give me in the chat. I hope you are getting the value out of it. I have just given you one bonus. Only one bonus I have given you. Now tell me, guys, if I give you a Java notes, but Pramod sir, how do we learn the Java? How many of you have this question? But how do we learn Java? You told us, okay, learn Java, but how should we learn? But if I tell you, I have created a documentation for you. What if I tell you I had created a documentation with you where each and every topic you can see an important interview question also? How many of you want it? Give me yes in the chat. Give me yes in the chat. Everything. What are the keywords? What are the different keywords, variables, everything, literals, all the topics, and you can learn one by one. Isn't it amazing? Now you are getting value or not? Tell me, guys. Now you're getting the value. Yes, I want this notes. And these are by the way, these are the notes which is used by the so beautiful, so elegant, just like a wow. Good, good, good. Okay. Isn't it amazing? Not only that, it contains all the concept of multi-threading also. Multi-threading and very other concepts. Now can you mark? Now can you mark and follow the roadmap? Yes or no, guys? Tell me. Is this secret number 1 clear? Is this clear now? Tell me. Okay. Not only that, I will share with you Selenium notes also, web automation notes also, which I have handwritten and which will basically make sure that you learn like a pro. You just need to tick mark. Learn from this, tick mark. Monali, I can see you, okay? I can see you. You have to learn and bookmark. Learn and bookmark. Can you do it or not? Yes or no, guys? Give me yes or no in the chat. Can you do it now? Is it possible? Are you getting the confidence or no? At least 5 to 10% you are getting confident. 100% I am not saying. Are you getting 100% or are you getting 10%, 20% confidence or not? Possible? It is possible or not, sir? Yes. So in the Selenium, we have covered everything, guys. We have covered HTML element, mastering XPath, mastering CSS selector, so selector demo, web tables, SVG, Shadow DOM, everything we have covered. Log4j, framework, AWS, running on the Jake Jenkins, Log4j, Page Factory, and many more things. All things we have covered into this. Can you do it now or not? Tell me, guys. Do you feel confident? How many of you feel confident? Okay. Yes. So shall we move towards secret number 2? Guys, we are just now 1 hour in the webinar and now you are getting more confident and confident. Guys, I will just take a few more minutes before we ask the question. Okay. Audio questions we'll take few more minutes. Is that fine? Everyone is fine. Do I have your permission, guys? Give me P in the chat, P for permission. Give me P in the chat if I have a permission. Secret number 2 and secret number 3, I need to give you so that you get some value and your time is not wasted. Even my time is not wasted. You should not ask. Take your time. Okay, let me drink some water also. Okay, good. Now, Pramod sir, this is clear. Okay, so you told us as of now, if we have a topic list, right? Yes or no? We have a topic list. We have a 4-month roadmap also, right? But what about the live project? Yes or no? You will not get a job until you perform live project. How many of you agree with this point? Give me yes in the chat if you agree with this point. This is a secret which is nobody is telling you right now. Trust me. As a fresher, you have to add automation projects. As a manual tester, you have to add automation projects. As a known IT person, if you want to move to software testing, you have to add our automation project. Yes or no? How many of you agree with this point? So secret number 2. What is the secret number 2, guys? Live project, isn't it? Tell me. Adding live project. But Pramod sir, question is, where do we find the live projects? Yes or no? How do we find them? Question is, how do we find them? You told us as a fresher, we need live projects. As a manual tester, we need live project. As a non-IT to IT, we want to jump live project. Career gap people, I need to get a live project. But where should I get the live projects? What if I tell you, I have how many of you want this? I have a link for you. where I have added all the open source projects. Give me I in the chat if you know the answer. You know the answer. What if I tell you all the live projects as well as open source project, which you can add as a fresher, as a manual tester, and strategy to add live projects? I'll tell you, you can add to your resume. What if I tell you that? So this is the website. This is the website where you will find web testing projects, automation testing projects, API testing projects, advanced projects, and real API. Not only that, I will upload all my project into the GitHub repository. GitHub repository. How many of you know about the GitHub repository? How many of you know about GitHub? Give me yes in the chat. How many of you know about the GitHub? And how many of you don't know about the GitHub? Guys, no, give me no in the chat. Guys, if your answer is no, what you are doing right now, it is your second resume after LinkedIn. After LinkedIn, it is your resume. Guys, are you all the manual tester? Question to you. All the manual tester, question to you. Are you showing your test cases or your testing projects like this? Sir, I have done this project, project number 2, project number 3, project number 4, project number 5, SQL projects like this. Are you showing like this? Showing is always greater than telling, isn't it? How many of you agree with this point? Give me A in the chat. Showing is always greater than telling. If you have done API testing projects, can you upload your documents that, okay, this is how API testing projects I have done? Guys, this will increase your chances by 10% or not. Are we doing different than other people who are also in our list, who are also competing us with the software testing profile? Yes or no? Is this kind of knowledge anyone telling you over the internet? Give me yes or no in the chat. What do you think? Is this kind of information other people are telling you? No, because these are the things which are working right now in the market. 2024, this is what it is working. Now you understood. I told you your time will not be wasted. Is this clear? Give me clear in the chat. Do you think if I basically add all my links here, all my links which with whatever the projects that I have done as a manual tester, I have also added a folder which test plan, which test cases I have executed, Postman cases. Do you think this will work? If I have done web automation project, suppose, let me show you. If I have done web automation project or the rest assured project, do you think it will work if I showcase like this? Guys, tell me. This is the API automation framework. Do you think if I upload this, if you upload this into your profile, if you upload a Selenium project into this profile, if you upload a manual testing project like this, what do you think, guys? This will increase your chances and people will know that, okay, yes, you have done live project, isn't it? Yes or no? Give me yes in the chat if you agree with this point. Are you getting the value what I'm trying to say? Are you getting the value what I'm trying to say? Nobody is telling you. So what exactly you need to do now? Create a GitHub profile. In the GitHub profile, copy all this repository. You can take help from this. Copy all these repositories and create like this. Create like you have done it. Does this make sense? Is it making sense? Give me yes in the chat. Projects you can find from this website. Okay, projects you can find more into this website. These are open source projects that you can add. As a fresher, you can add. As a manual tester, you can add. Couple of open source project, you can add it secondary. I will tell you also a couple of hacks how you can add this. Is this making sense? Give me yes in the chat if it makes sense. Should we do this after completing the roadmap? Yes. How many of you loved the secret number 2? This is the secret that he told me that, okay, you need to showcase your projects. Now it's clear. How many of you loved it? Loved it, loved it, loved it. Sir, now it is making more sense. Sir, this is awesome. This is awesome. Loved it. Can't wait to see the secret number 3. Sir, you are going to share this long link? Yes. Guys, if you say yes in the chat right now, if you say yes in the chat, I will share all these documents in my next email. After this session, I will share everything in tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, I will share. If you say yes in the chat. If you don't say yes in the chat, I will not share. This is a fair bargain, right? Yes or no? The more you interact, the more you will learn, isn't it? Okay. Is this clear? Is this clear or not? Tell me, guys. Is this clear? Now, so problem is this. Got it, right? So live projects we need to add. We need to add our live projects. Okay. So Pramod sir, it is clear that, okay, we need to add our live projects in a such a way. Okay. Now, but there is a problem. There is a problem. Problem is, how many of you agree with this point? The secret number 3 is you don't add properly your project to your resume, and you don't know about LinkedIn and resume hacks properly. How to do that? How many of you agree with this point? Give me A in the chat. You don't know the proper way to get unlimited number of job applications from the LinkedIn, Naukri.com, Indeed, and other application. Okay, I'll tell you why. Let me ask you a simple thing. Let me ask you a simple thing. Okay, let me ask you a first number question number first. Okay, how many of you do this thing? How many of you do this thing? Okay, I hope everyone is paying attention. Okay, I hope everyone is paying attention in this case. Okay, pay attention. How many of you create one resume, resume one, and you apply to hundreds of jobs? How many of you do that? Just say I in the chat. Just say I in the chat. Just say I in the chat. Okay, Vikram, Sandesh, Vilav, Sastik, Priya, Priyanshi, cool. I. Somebody draw I in the chat. Ritesh, good. Now, how many of you want to hear a truth? Truth is, this does not work in 2024. How many of you like, really, Pramod? How many of you like, wow, is it really? Give me yes in the chat. Is it really? This doesn't work. This doesn't work. In 2024, this doesn't work, guys. It don't work. Nobody is telling you right now in the market. What you need to do? What you need to do is now pay attention. Pay attention. First of all, you will see something called as JD. What is JD, guys? What is JD? Job description. Job description that you see on LinkedIn. Yes or no? You need to basically get important keywords and add this to your resume. Yes or no? Yes or no in the chat. And you need to create a new resume. A new resume. Because ATS, which is your application tracking system, will not able to reject. If you use this technique, same resume for job, ATS will reject your resume. Immediately you get a message, right? How many of you get this resume? You apply to a job, after 15 minutes, it basically says, sorry for, what is the message, guys? What is the message? Sorry, we have, what is the message? What is the subject line there? And there's a message, right? What is this? All the best. No, all the best. What was the message? Sorry, your profile doesn't match. Unfortunately, not shortlisted. Better luck next time. Skills don't match. Unable to move. Job expired. We regret to inform you, right? Sneha is absolutely right. Yes. Rakshita is also right. Sneha, Rakshita, you guys are awesome. We regret to inform you that your profile is not shortlisted. Thank you for your interest, Raju. Absolutely right. Yes or no? So this is what you need to do. Okay, we are also smart. If these guys are smart, we are also smart, right? Yes or no? How many of you want to know the hack, which is right now working in the chat? Tell me. Tell me in the chat. Tell me in the chat, guys. How many of you want to know the hack? Okay, let's do one thing. They are smart, then we are also smart, right? Yes or no? They are smart, then we are also smart, right? Yes. So now I'm going to tell you about one secret. Okay. Let's do, before I tell you the secret within secret. Okay. In the secret number 3, we have secret number 1. Okay. Secret is, I will show you my resume now. You will need to tell me what exactly do you see. Okay. Okay. What exactly do you see if I show you for 5 seconds? I will show you this for 5 seconds. What exactly do you see? Okay. Everyone with me? Give me yes in the chat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'll give you one more extra. 5. What exactly do you see in the, okay, skills? Avinash is saying skills. Quick to read. Okay, Swami, lead. skills, experience, skills, projects, and achievement. Good, 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 good. So your resume should talk about your first. What is the first thing? Skills, projects, and experience, isn't it? Give me yes in the chat. Isn't it yes or no? What is the first thing I want to make sure that you see? What is the first thing I want to you to make sure you? I want to see that I basically work in Java. I know Selenium. I know API. I know automation testing. This is the first thing I want you to see. Second thing I want you to make sure is, this is an old one, by the way, 8 years of experience. Yes or no? Third thing I want to see is the project details. Yes or no? Agree with this point? Is this clear? Hack number 1 is clear or not? You want to make sure that skills, projects, and experience is something that you show. Hack number 2, how your resume will get selected by ATS. It will be never be rejected by ATS. Never be rejected by ATS. Okay, what is the hack number 2 is? Okay, guys, let's go to linkedin.com. Shall we do a practical? ATS is application tracking system, Prisha. When you upload your resume, right, it will go to ATS. If you don't create your resume properly, ATS will reject you. Okay. Okay. Let's do a practical thing. Shall we do that? Shall we do that? Yes or no? Shall we do a practical thing? How many of you are ready? How many of you are ready? Give me yes. Let's do practical exercise. Okay. Okay. So I am on my LinkedIn profile. By the way, guys, I have just completed 20,000 followers. I hope everyone is following with me. Okay, so we have completed 22,000. Now it is 22,000 followers on LinkedIn. Okay, so big achievement to us, all of us. We have a big achievement, 22,000 followers, by the way, right? So if you go to job section, okay, if you go to job section, suppose I want to apply for one position. Okay, I want to apply for, let's suppose, automation lead. This is what I want to apply. Everyone is with me? Give me W in the chat. I want to apply for this profile. What is the job description? This is the job description that we have. Yes or no? This is the job description that we have. Okay, they should know this. What I will do is, I have installed one extension known as Joblytics. How many of you can see that? There is a extension I have installed with the name of Joblytics. And I have uploaded my resume. And I am clicking analyze my job description. It is telling me that my 45% match. But I am missing certain keywords. Yes or no? I am missing some keywords. If I add these keywords into my resume, my percentage will be high. I have to make sure my percentage is 60 plus. Is this clear? Then it will be selected by ATS automatically. How many of you are clear? Give me clear in the chat. I need to make sure my score is 60. What I will do is, I will copy the missing keyword here. I will open my, by the way, I have created my resume from Nova Resume. Okay, it is a Nova Resume. Go to my extension, my documents. Okay, I will edit my resume. This is my resume. Okay, and in this resume, what I will do is, smartly, I will add the and test strategies. Yes or no? How many of you are able to understand? Smartly, I have added responsible for test strategy. Yes or no? How many of you can do that? Give me yes in the chat. I have just copied the important keywords. Whatever the keywords that I have got, missing keyword. What is the missing keyword that I have? I have copied and I have added smartly into this. Now this will create a new resume. After that, it will create a new resume for this job one. Yes or no? For this job, a new resume will be created. For every type of job, there is a new resume. Yes or no? Now you understood why your resume doesn't work. How many of you now understood this point? Give me yes in the chat if you understood. So every job description, for every job description, you will create a new resume. So you have 10 JD, then you will create 10 resume. And those will be selected by ATS. You need to make sure that 60% of your matching is done by Joblytics. Isn't it cool? Hack. Give me 2 in the chat if you understood this. Isn't it cool hack? What we are doing is, missing keyword, whatever the keyword that we are basically able to find, you can just add to your resume. Isn't it cool? And what if I tell you, I will give you 25 plus more this type of hacks? How many of you want that? Give me yes. So I have done one exercise, guys. So this is a paid session, which I'm now going to give you, by the way. Okay. So guys, I have done one paid resume, because see, everything I can't do here, right? It will become a so long webinar, right? Yes or no? It will become 6 hour long webinar. I don't want to make it like this, but I have created a video. It's a paid session, by the way, guys. You guys are getting it for free, where what I have done is I have taught 25 plus hacks like this, how to create a golden resume which gets selected every time, top mistake that you are making while creating a resume review, live resume I have done, and tips to make your resume selected. How many of you want? Give me I in the chat. Give me I in the chat. Pramod sir, I want it. So I will be sharing this link through the email. If you don't say I, right, I think then, right? Not only that. Okay. Since you guys are saying, couple of people are saying, Pramod sir, what about the LinkedIn? LinkedIn strategy. Okay. There is another session that we have done. Okay. Another strategy I have done, LinkedIn hacks, how to basically find jobs by using LinkedIn, how to approach HRs, how to approach other people. All these links. How many of you want this also? This is a 2 hours of session. Naukri.com also we have done. In the same exercise, we have done with the Naukri.com also. Is this clear? How many of you want this? Yes? Good. Okay. So I will be sharing with you, right? So this is the secret. I hope now all of you are clear. Secret number 3, how many of you are clear? Give me S3 in the chat. So you need to fix your resume very, very well. Then only you will get a job. So 4-month plan, topics and roadmap, add projects, fix your resume and everything. Then you are ready to become an automation tester. Did you get the value or not? Did you get the value or not? I hope your time is not wasted. What is your reaction, guys? I hope it was a successful session. Yes or no? Not wasted? Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay. So what exactly do we need to do? What is the learning that you have? What is the learning that you have, guys? What is the learning that you have? Session is like, sir, wow. What is the learning that you have? Guys, tell me. What exactly did you learn? What are the tops learning? What are the top learning for you? What are the biggest takeaway? LinkedIn hacks, get the clarity, 3 secrets, remove fear and practice, overall path, good study and roadmap. Roadmap is, don't fear anything. Roadmap is everything. Good. Roadmap and topics is important. Good. 4-month roadmap, need to create our mistakes, right? Okay, awesome. So I hope now you guys are clear. So action item, what is the action item now? Is this everyone can do it or not? Tell me. Action item is block your 4 to 5 hours per weekend, because there are a lot of mothers, right, who can't do it daily. So I think Saturday, Sunday, they can do it, right? Yes or no? I hope this is clear, right? I hope this makes sense. Yes, this makes sense now. Tell me, is this making sense? Okay, good. I'm not your mother. Okay, sorry, Shaktiman. Sorry, Shaktiman in this case. Okay, awesome, guys, awesome. Now, so guys, I hope this session was good, right? But now I want to talk about a very important thing, which I want you to do it. Okay, so guys, I thought this is a problem. Okay, everyone, the people who want to become an automation tester, if you are that person, give me I in the chat. Give me I in the chat. When I wanted to become an automation tester, guys, so I was not able to find the clarity. You know what was stopping me is clarity. I was not able to get. What is the topic I need to follow? What is the roadmap I need to follow? Which project I have to do? When I have to do? Which resume I have to create? How LinkedIn I have to try? If I'm failing, what I have to do? Doubt session, where we will have doubt session and everything in this case. Okay. So what I have done is now I'm going to talk about a live course, which I am basically doing. See, this is not for everyone. Just to let you know, do I have your permission to go forward now? Guys, this was the valuable session for you till now. All the links will be given to you, right? Now, do I have your permission to go further? Now I'm going to talk about a program that I'm going to have launched. Is that fine? I hope this makes sense, right? Value part I have already done. Now it is just that I want to talk about a program that I'm going to launch. Is that fine? Do I have your permission, guys? Continue, sir. Yes, continue. Okay. So I am searching for the people who think that this 4-month roadmap will work for them. If you are that person, give me I in the chat and just tell me, Pramod sir, I am serious. Very this. Just type I am serious, or just say I in the chat. Pramod sir, I think I can do it. Okay. So I am searching for the people, guys. Just to let you know, this though what we are doing is since last 3 years, right? 3 to 4 years, I am into the teaching background. Okay. And I thought, okay, let's do one thing. There are many people who are like me. They can't afford so much heavy 50,000 rupees courses or something like this, right? So I thought, okay, let's create a extensive program with live projects, real-time projects, which will help them to basically follow a proper roadmap. The same roadmap that I have shown you, right? This roadmap we are going to cover. In the 4 month, our target is to learn about core Java, OOPS concept, threading and pattern. We will learn about, we will do HackerRank challenges also. We will learn everything in project based. Okay. We will create 3+ live projects of API. We will do 3+ live projects of manual testing, 3+ live projects of web automation, right? And web automation, not only that, we will be creating our frameworks that you have seen on the github.com. Is this clear? Give me clear in the chat. We will be creating live everything in this case. Okay. Live is something which I really like, right? This session is also live, like you can see. Live, you are able to more interact with me, right? Yes or no? So guys, same thing which we are going to launch. And I thought we are going to basically perform API testing also, key features and everything. We are going to include Cucumber BDD, right? CI/CD part, testing automation framework also we are going to create, and resume building. I will be helping you to create your resume, job finding, tips and tricks to get a more number of calls. How many of you think this will work? Yes, 45, I tell you 24 session, 24/7, you can get it. Doubt sessions, live doubt sessions. We will have audio questions now like this, and mock interviews in the end so that you get selected. How many of you think this will work? Mock session in the end, which will make sure that you get selected. You will have a mock interview with me. Guys, I have taken 400+ interviews as an automation tester. I know these things. Okay. I also send some kind of profiles to the HRs also, by the way. Okay. So this is what we are going to do. And the certificate of completion also we are going to do. Okay. So overall value, what we are going to do in this case, what do you think, guys? So value is we are basically covering 4 months of live program with for 45,000 rupees. Okay, this is a live program. By the way, this is just to tell you total value which I am giving you. Access to the previous batch, which I think it is 25,000 rupees. Playwright with course, right? 5+ bonuses and SDET.club. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Is this is the value that you are getting? But now, since you guys are into the live session right now, do you think that it should be affordable course? How many of you agree with this point? It should be affordable course, right? Yes or no? Yes? Yes? Okay. So for you guys only, we are going with the old pricing, which is this, which is only 9,999 rupees today only if you join before 12 a.m. Before 12 a.m. if you join, you will get these 2 bonuses extra. Access to previous batch recording, Playwright course with Java also, which is basically coming in April. Okay. So let me show you the link, which is this. Okay. So how to join? So this is called as Automation Tester Blueprint Batch 6th batch, which basically we are talking about. It is a job ready automation tester 2024 to attention. Live classes. These are live classes. These are the timings that we are going to follow. Okay. Here it is already taken by more than 6,000+ students, right? We have a lot of subscribers. People are asking about placement, right? People have been selected in Accenture, BrowserStack, Cognizant, Samsung, Innovator, Creo, Infosys, Wingify, Sony, and Amazon. If you want to check out the testimonials, you can check out the testimonials also, right? And the bonus thing is, this is the curriculum that we are going to follow for 4 months. And these all are the powerful automation framework that we are going to create. And we will follow the roadmap of this. Okay. And these are the bonuses which you are going to get if you join it today. Okay. Before 12. Okay. So how to enroll? Very simple. You just need to click on this and you just need to use a special coupon, which is only will be valid for you before if you join, right? Which is PROMODE. So you just need to enter PROMODE, click on apply and enter your details, whatever the details, select on Razorpay online, click on complete. Okay. Click on complete order. And you can also do what we call through a QR code or something, you can now do a payment. If you're from India, you can use Razorpay, right? So you can add details here, proceed, right? Okay, so this is the link that you need to do, right? And if you want to do through EMI, there is an EMI option also, if you want to take it in EMI. Okay, so if you have already enrolled, that's a good thing. Then you can disconnect Apurva if you want to. Let's take a couple of important questions. Guys, raise your hands now. I hope this is clear. Now we will take questions. Okay, everyone ready for question? Audio questions now we will take. Fine. Everyone is with me? You can raise your hands now. We'll take live questions now. Okay, let's take live questions now. Okay, Apurva, yes, you are function. Okay. Your question, please. Yes. Shubham, you can talk with me, okay? Yes. All right. Apurva, you can unmute and if you want to talk. Swati Sena, do you want to discuss?
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Apurva. Yes, go on, please.
Yeah. So my question is like I have 3 years of experience into core manual, and now I want to shift to automation. So is it like is it will be going to be a smooth shift, or like I need to be like more into means what it will look like
Did
when
you
I shift
understood
to
the
it?
roadmap? Did you understood the
Yes,
overall
yes,
idea?
yes,
What do
yes.
you think? Now you are getting confident or not? What do you think?
Yes, I'm a bit confident now. So I just want
That's a
to
good
know
thing.
like about the interview questions and all. Like
Hmm.
I don't know anything about the automation
Hmm.
interview part and all.
Right.
So
See,
I just
automation interview parts, we have already added 150 plus automation interviews also. And we also conduct mock interviews, if you see, right? So right now, previous batch, guys, already we are conducting the interview questions. So you can see all the interview questions also side by side, Apurva. Is this make sense? Right? That you can see. So I think that will give you more confidence in this case, right? Yes, Apurva? Is this clear? Any other doubt that you have? Ram, yes, you will get a mic, okay? Apurva, is this clear? Good. Apurva is clear. Swati Sinha, yes, please, your question. Swati, yes. Swati, you want to ask? Swati Sinha? You can unmute and ask. Yes. What should be the salary range for the 7-year experience as an automation tester? 7 years, what you need to do is just double and add like 3, 4. So I think it should be around 18 to 20. This is like minimum candidate I'm talking about. Okay. Yes, Swati, go on, please.
Yeah, hi Pramod. So
Yes.
I have 10 years experience as a manual tester. So
Okay.
and I wanted to proceed with automation testing now.
Okay.
I got the roadmap and everything, and I
Hmm.
wanted to attend the classes also. But
Hmm.
do you have any weekend only classes?
Weekend only we don't have, but you will be getting lifetime recording. Okay. So the moment you join this, right? If you join this, immediately you will get access to lifetime recordings or previous batch recording also you will get it if you want. Okay. And but see, I think this is a time what you can do. You can watch the recording and ask on the 24/7. Okay. On the test, what we call sdet.club. Okay. So what is this sdet.club? Okay. Now let me talk about this. Okay. So I think you have asked, Swati, right? So sdet.club is nothing but a club. It's a community of more than 3,000 plus students who have already taken the course, right? They will basically try to answer your queries. And it is also a private group where you will get job referrals, where you will have a private group 24/7 doubt sessions. How many of you feel that doubt session is something that promoter we face very issue? For example, whenever we join a course, doubt session is something which is basically they don't handle very well. How many of you face this issue? Give me yes in the chat. Give me yes in the chat if you face that issues. Yes. Good, right? Many people are saying this, right? So this is where, that's why I have created, which is nothing but if you see, right, I'm just showing you previous batch, which is just finished, ATB 5X batch, where you will find more than 3,000 plus students. This is just an overall community I'm discussing about. Yeah. Okay. Where people are basically helping each other, right? So you can basically see here the details. Okay. So you will see people are basically asking doubts and other things, right? So I'm pretty much sure if you, Swati, So I know it is sometimes difficult to attend the classes, right? But I'm pretty much sure after 1 hour, when the class is done, right, it automatically recording will be available. That recording, it is available for lifetime. You can watch and ask the questions. Okay, so you can ask the question. For example, do you see this? People are basically asking question live. Do you see that, right? 23 hours ago, people are giving replies and everything, right? Yes or no? Do you think this is a good community, right? Yes or no? It is a very active community, guys, where people are helping each other, and I'm also helping each here in this case. And not only that, you will be getting jobs and referrals, which is the easiest way. The easiest way to get a job, isn't it? Is this clear? So you can basically share your email ID, and people are sharing the important dates and everything in this case. So important jobs in this case. Okay. Good, good, good. Awesome. Swati, is this clear? We'll take more questions now.
Yeah.
Okay. Nishanti. Yes, Nishanti, please go on. Nishanti?
Pramod?
Yes, yes. Sorry, I think I unmuted you, right? Just ask your question again. Yes. Go on, please.
Pramod, I think in the Feb month I attended this webinar for Python automation testing.
Okay.
For some reason I couldn't attend the class, but now I'm
Hmm.
interested to go for Python automation. Is it possible?
This is Java, Nishanti. Python, we are not starting as of now. But if you're interested
Okay.
in Java batch, we are starting. So guys, live classes are started on 30th of March, just to let you know. 30th of March 2024, 7 a.m. IST, we are starting out. Okay. Timing, I think I have already shared with you. This will be the live channel classes. This is how you can join. Okay. Many people have already joined. Just to let you know, guys. Okay. To be honest, many people have already joined. This is just a old pricing I'm showing you. Prices are increasing. After 12, we are increasing the price to 12,500. Just to let you know, this is the new pricing. Okay. How many of you can see this? New pricing is 12,500, and it will be the new pricing after this. Since you guys are with me for more than 1 hour and 40 minutes, you should get the benefit. How many of you agree with this point? Give me A in the chat. You should get some benefit, right? How many of you agree with this point? Give me A in the chat. That's why you are getting the benefit, where you are getting everything on a old pricing, which is 999. Guys, let me tell you, people are charging for 50,000 rupees for the course, which doesn't have Playwright, which doesn't have API testing also. Okay, so this is probably the one of the best affordable course to become an automation tester. After 4 months, our target is that we should be applying for automation jobs, and we will be applying it here. And SDET.club, you will have a lifetime access. So you will be always with me as a lifelong learner, right? After this course also, I will be helping you in the job referrals and your doubt sessions also side by side. Is this clear? I hope it makes sense. Right? I hope it makes sense to you. Now let's take more questions. We'll take more questions. Okay. Soumya Ranjan, yes, please go on. So this is a link, guys. This is a link just to let you know. Pradeep, we'll take your question also. Okay, guys, we'll take your questions now. Soumya, please go on. You can unmute.
Yeah, hi Pramod.
Yes, go on.
Yes, so almost I think my queries are already asked by others. So it's as of now it's clear.
That's a good thing, no, Soumya?
Yeah,
All
right.
your doubts.
Yeah,
Tell
so
me
one of
anything.
one more thing I just wanted. So the basic learning are we covering in this? The fundamentals which needs before starting the automation.
Yes.
Or that, right? We are covering that part.
Which one you're talking? Which one?
Basic concept. The first step is before going into the automation scripting and all, the basic knowledge that we need to have.
Yes. So what we will do is we will do a manual testing refresher class first. Okay. Manual testing refresher class. If you are a fresher, if you are a known IT, right? So we'll do a couple of important refresher classes, right? After that, I am assuming that you have zero knowledge in coding. Guys, I also had a zero knowledge in Java, right? So I will make sure that, okay, if you have zero knowledge in Java, we will go step by step. We will follow these notes. Whatever the notes that I have shown you, right? Same notes. So we will follow these notes, and we will also upload our repository to GitHub. We will do a lot of lab exercises. Okay. We will do a lot of lab exercises. If you can see, let me show you also. See, ATB Java programs. These are the live classes. More than 250 live classes we have done. If you want to see, this is 5th batch, by the way. And we have uploaded this, all of them. So if you see basics, everything, if you see, right, OOPS concept, we have done like lab number 189. So practically, I am just teaching everything and then showing you. Practical, I am typing the code and explaining you everything from scratch. We are starting from scratch and we are covering everything. I hope now it is clear, Soumya. Is this clear? I am assuming that you have zero knowledge and we will start from what is low level, middle level, and high level language, like something like that. Is that make sense?
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Good.
To be
Okay.
honest, actually, I'm having 12 plus years of experience in IT. And
Uh-huh.
actually, I am also from a non-IT, but I am leading as a test lead, I am leading a team of 15 to 20 team members. But I want to go into automation. That's the reason I was asking.
Okay, good. That I think it is possible. Okay, so we'll see you there. I think it will be pretty much done. Every Friday we have SDET masterclass also, guys. So every Friday we have a doubt sessions. You can, if you have any doubt, you can bring. 8 p.m. is a time. Even if you miss, recordings are available. You can check other topics also in this case. Okay. All right. We'll take more questions. Suraj Sharma, yes. Sir, same API testing you will teach us from basic. Himakshi, yes. API testing we are covering from scratch. I am assuming that you have zero knowledge of API testing. We will start from STPP basics. Okay, if you see API testing concepts, right? Let me show you the notes. Himakshi, I am assuming that you have zero knowledge in the APIs. Okay, so I am starting from STPP basics. What are the basics that you have? Is this make sense? Web fundamental. We are starting from web fundamentals. Okay, Suraj, you are clear?
Yes,
Go
yes,
on,
sir.
please.
Hello. Am I audible,
Yes,
sir?
yes. Go on. Yes, you are
Uh,
audible. Yes.
So my question is, I have like 4 years of experience in manual testing. So
Okay.
the right now program you are giving, like it's like for 10,000. So is it a complete thing? Like in 4 months, I will be completely able to join as an automation.
Yes, yes. So what we are targeting here is this, Suraj, is 4 months. We will be learning Core Java. We will be learning API automation. We will be learning Selenium framework. And we will be uploading all of the framework into our GitHub repository. We will be creating our resume and we will be starting applying.
Okay,
Fair enough?
that's good, sir. That's good, sir. And my next question is that the timing you have said, it's like in the morning. So do you have any other option like in the
Other
evening?
options generally we don't have. I'll tell you why. Because morning is something generally people learn it, and it's a Zoom classes, right? You can anytime attend. Yes. And even
Yeah,
if you
but
miss it, right, you have a recording available that you can watch after 2 hours. After 2 hours, automatically recordings will add it to the platform. So you can watch. If you have a doubt, you can ask on SDET.club. I am always available on SDET.club. Sir, I
okay,
am facing this issue. You can paste a screenshot. Or if you think that, okay, Pramod sir, now I have 10 doubts I want to ask, Friday evening, 8 p.m., you can connect with me. We have a doubt sessions where you can cover. This is
okay.
what I really want to see.
Sir,
Yes, Orish, go on.
so sorry to disturb you, but
Mhm.
I don't know it's a right question to ask or not, but it's just a genuine question from me that there are lots of YouTubers, there are lots of teachers who are providing lots of videos because I am following you from very I think I don't remember the months I am following you, and there are lots of videos also available. So I just want to know, as like you are a senior to me, so is it joining the course you are giving me, and what's the difference between a person is trying from the YouTube videos and means joining a course from you? So can you
Very good
give
question. Very good question, Suraj. So see, Suraj, right now you are able to discuss with me your doubts after delivering this session. This is how our sessions will be. Do you think I will be able to resolve your questions? Do you think this is a better way as compared to YouTube videos? Do you think following a roadmap and topic list, working with community is a better way of learning? Yes. Do you think it's a better way?
Yeah, definitely, sir. And
See, there are hundreds of, I told you, right? What do you think you know there? I tell you one thing, okay? I also wanted to learn when I started with the YouTube videos, right? I started with YouTube videos and I watched Udemy courses. I have never watched single second video of Udemy. Never watched second video. How many of you are facing these kind of issues? It is so boring because when you don't interact with your teacher, what is the point? You are interacting with me, right? You can ask me hundreds of questions. I will reply hundreds of questions. You will see me also. Okay, be in this webinar for next 1 hour. You will see me answering all the questions. These kind of
Yeah,
stuff you will not get in the
definitely,
recorded
sir.
video.
So my last word will be that it is a really good thing, because I have and my friends have also tried lots of courses, and the price you are giving, so they have means means it's we can't compare your price with them.
And see, I'll
So
tell you what is it. Okay, I'll tell you. See, when I was a manual tester, there was a lot of institute. I wanted to become an automation tester, and they are charging 45,000, 50,000 at that time, right? And even though they are missing, like API testing knowledge was missing, and the mentors have not done it, and they are not. I'll tell you why. There are a lot of mentors right now that you see. They left the job like 5 years back, 6 years back, 10 years back. There are people on the. I'm not just criticizing. I'm just telling you a genuine view. This is my genuine view. Okay. Do let me know if you agree or disagree. This is between us. Right now, what I'm teaching you right now, which is working in 2024 and 2025, it will work for you guys. Framework that I'm teaching you, the framework that we are creating, we are using in our company also. And we basically have these kind of generic framework. We know what are the problems that we faced. When you run 10,000 test cases daily, what is the problem that you are going to face? This is a right now problem, right, Suraj? So practically you are getting everything from that person, right? Isn't it? So
yes, sir.
So that's what the answer is. Okay. And you are getting a one-to-one access with me. Can you get a one-to-one access in Udemy courses? No. You will email him, he will reply after 7 months when you have a new job.
I think it's the best thing which you can provide, and I think it's a social work from you, because 10,000 is nothing, the amount.
It is nothing.
Which
I'll tell you what it is nothing.
Yeah.
It is nothing.
But
I can give you guys all the
sir,
people right now.
personally, I have a last question. Sorry to disturb you. I have the last question. Actually, I'm in paramilitary forces. So right now, means in the morning classes are seriously not for me, because I have to take the classes from.
That is fine. That is fine.
Yeah.
That is
So
fine.
because the only one thing which is I am thinking about is I am 100% joining your course, but the only one thing is stopping me, that it's 100% sure that from mornings 5 a.m. to 10 I have to be on field, so I will be not able
makes
to
sense.
join.
That is fine. I think you can watch
what
recording, right?
solution you can give me?
I think, see, this is just your mind who is playing with you. In the previous batch, there are people who have what we call job at 7 a.m. They used to attend on the Zoom when they were basically going to their home. They used to attend after coming back to the office. They was recording and ask the doubts, right? The people getting results. This is the most important thing. You are getting in touch with me. Friday evening, whenever you have the time, you can get in touch with me in a doubt session and everything, right? That makes sense?
Yes, sir. So
It
that will be
is your mindset. Okay, it is a leap of faith that everyone has to take it, right? And I think it's a steal deal, right? It's one of the best offer that we can give you. And I have given you an offer in such a way that you get best value. By the way, Playwright with Java that I'm showing you guys here, 5,000 rupees, we are launching it in the next batch. For next batch, it will be a paid course of 5,000 rupees extra. You guys are getting it for free. Previous batch recording, we never share, because 30th March is little ahead. Right now it is, so we have 1 week, right? For 1 week, you can basically complete some of the video. That's why we share previous batch recording. That's it. We never share these two things. 5 burst bonuses you are already getting, which is SQL, Git, and Jenkins. Suraj, does that make sense?
Right.
Let's take more
Definitely,
questions.
sir. And thank you,
Suraj.
sir, very much.
Okay, Sandeep. Then we'll take another question. Okay, Divya, yes, you are next. Okay, after this. Yes, Divya, go on, please. Divya, are you done? Okay, we'll take more question. Yes, you will get a mic. Okay, don't worry. We'll take more questions. Okay. Sneha Mukherjee, yes, go on, please. Sneha. Guys, Sneha, yes. You can unmute yourself. Okay. One by one, guys. Divya,
Hello.
okay. Yes, Divya. Who is this? Sneha or Divya? Oh, Sneha.
Yeah,
Yes, Sneha,
hi.
go on.
Yeah. Hi, sir. Hi, sir. Hope you are very good.
Good.
So I am proceeding as a manual test engineer. It's almost like 2 years. Okay. So the fact is, I am pretty much interested about automation testing and all. And also the fact is, I have started the focusing on the topic by following your videos overall. But
Good, 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 good.
the fact is, I am belonging from IT background only. I'm 2020
Hmm.
pass out batch.
Hmm,
But the
hmm,
thing is, sir, I am having the
hmm.
previous fear still now for Java coding.
Huh.
That is the main fact. I am like facing the issues and all, like to get the troubleshooting, rather to get the exceptions, how to handling the exception, these things. So how to
Hmm, hmm.
cope up with these things? Is it
We will do
okay?
this, no? This is a part of course, no? That you guys have to take. See,
Hmm.
coding fear, just to let you know, Sneha, this is for everyone.
Hmm.
Coding fear and everything that I will take care. What I want from you is focus on the roadmap. This system is
Hmm.
something, if you follow for 1 hour per day, this system works. It has worked for many students. It will work for you also. But you have to be serious
Hmm.
and follow. Understood? And all
Yeah.
the exceptions and everything, right? I'll give you multiple demos, how to handle exception and everything. If you want to see in the GitHub repository also, you will find some
Hmm.
exceptions, examples, how we have handle the exceptions, all type of exceptions, checked exception, unchecked exception, multi types of exceptions, right? All these things, how we have handled. Does this make sense? Okay.
Getting it. And sir, like one more main fact I want to clarify from you, sir. Like live projects are pretty much like, is it important? Because I'm not understanding.
It is
If I
very important.
say
It
that
is
I'm,
very important. See, you are a manual tester, right? Already with 2 years experience, right?
yeah,
Yes.
exactly.
So what I want is 1 year, whatever the manual testing project that you have done. After taking this course, you will have a knowledge. What you will do is you will create a GitHub repository and say that, okay, I have automated and this is my automation framework. So I have a knowledge of 1.5 year of automation knowledge. Trust me, nobody can verify which project that you have done. Have you done manual or automation? Nobody can verify. This is very common. Okay.
Like that.
This is very
Oh.
common. So what you will do is you have just accelerated your progress because you know, but you have to justify your knowledge. How will you justify your knowledge? Because you have already covered the courses. You have already covered the topics. You have already covered the roadmap. You have already seen the projects. That's how. Make sense?
Okay. Yeah. Thank you
Guys,
so
if
much,
you,
getting you.
no worries, no worries. Yeah, thank you. Guys, I can give you my WhatsApp number. How many of you want my WhatsApp number? Give me I in the chat. But don't call me at after 12, okay? No calling, only message.
Okay.
No calling, only message. WhatsApp number I am sharing. Okay. No calling, okay, please. All right. We'll take more question. Ram, your question, please. Karan Singh, sir, I will message you. Good. Okay, we'll take more questions. Who's there? Who's there? Raise your hand,
Hi,
guys. Raise. Yes, yes, Ram.
hi, sir. How are you doing? Thanks for
I'm
giving me
doing good. I'm doing. Yes, yes. Please go on, Ram.
just let me a quick introduction of myself. I'm Ram, and I have almost like 3 years of experience in manual testing, and I am an
Good,
aspirant
good,
to be an automation tester. So just to
good.
understand, do we even cover as a bonus lecture of any other performance testing concepts in non-functional part?
Performance testing. Good, good, good. So performance testing is a part of SDET masterclass. Okay.
Okay.
So every Friday we have, since you guys are joining, right, you will have lifetime access to the SDET masterclass. What is this SDET masterclass? It's every Friday, since I believe we are lifelong learners. So every Friday, free of cost, I will be giving you some lectures. What are the lectures? These are the lectures that you will see. So previously, I'm going to show you which live projects we have done. Where is our, okay, let's go to my courses, SDET masterclass. I'll tell you which topic we have covered till now. Okay. So if you go to SDET masterclass, you will get automatically the access for this. Okay. When you join automatically, this will have access. These are recorded lectures, by the way. So which lectures we have covered till now, I'm going to show you. Okay. In last 3-4 months, click on it. Let me show you. You asked for performance testing, right? So we have done resume review, Python masterclass, LinkedIn hack, mobile testing, inner circle, Linux basics, API testing, job interview. Now let me tell you, JMeter part 1, performance basics. Also we have covered somewhere in this. JMeter part 2, JMeter learning, and now more JMeter advanced sessions are coming. Does this make sense? Okay.
Absolutely.
So, yes. Okay, good. Good, right? Is that answer your question?
Yes, and just want to understand, I mean, are there any new trends followed for this course, like integration of AI, like generative AI things, so that we can use in our...
Yes. Since you asked, I have already told you, all the people who have access to sdet.club, generative AI course for testers is also coming. I can share you with curriculum, but it is not ready, but it is coming in the sdet.club, which is free of cost for you, right? So you will be automatically have access to that. Is that fine?
Yes, sir, definitely.
So-
That
Right. One more, few more topics like Docker basics, AWS,
yes.
plugins, right? GitHub crash course, coding concept and coding questions, master things, right? All these sessions we keep on doing. Every Friday, we generally do this exercises. Or you will find all this into sdet.masterclass. This is a community. You will, apart from 4-month live batch, you will get access to this community also. Make
So,
sense?
and one last question, sorry to waste your time. Like, I'm really in a rush to... The thing is,
No worries.
since we have a collaboration with, I mean, the QAs are most of the time collaborated and involved in the DevOps environment as well in the current age. So, as a QA, I mean, automation tester, once we hit the roadmap and once we are in the end of the road, like, I mean, what are the DevOps concepts? Like, I see Docker on your resume and as well as in the course as well. Like, how do we create the and is that covers the DevOps concepts of the Docker orchestration and Kubernetes, and how can we use the AWS console or any other cloud service provider as a QA so that will levitate the QA profile in a much better way with a competitive corporate package.
I think this one I have already covered in one of the masterclass, but I'll show you the demo. Okay, what are the extra skills that you can add? I'm going to show you also. 1 second. Okay, let me show you what I'm trying to say. Guys, this is a very important question, which is additional things that you can add to get extra salary or work, right? Which is very important. I think where will
The reason for asking this question is because everywhere where I get to see the job
this is a
description.
valid question. This is a valid question, right? So I have added more details, right? Which tools now do you have to target more? Build automation tools, Maven Gradle, deployment tools, extra tools, SonarQube, Jenkins, TestNG, the Selenium, TestNG, extra tools, Ansible, Puppet, Chef, all the tools that I have learned throughout 12 years experience, right? I have added here in this case. So I think this will be helpful for you. This is one of the masterclass we have done. I'll share a link with you also. Okay.
Sure. And
So these
consider this, we
awesome.
will.
Thank you for this question. Okay. Thank you, Ram. Bye-bye.
Yes.
Awesome.
I don't know what you mean by I will.
Okay, we'll take more questions. Yes, Sanjay. Sanjay, yes. Anyone has the question? Give me I in the chat quickly. I will basically do it quickly. Okay.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, please. Yes.
So yeah, Pramod. So I have overall 8 years of experience in ETL testing, API testing, and plus manual testing. So if I follow your course and I'll be ready for the automation tester. Suppose for the job openings, if I apply for the job openings, I have already 8 years of experience in this testing industry. So what will be the expectation from me? Because currently for the automation testing, it will be less than 1 year. But my overall
What
experience
you will
is
do,
about
Sanjay,
10 years.
I'll tell you what a strategy I will tell you. This is a very common strategy what people do is after taking this course, what you will do is you will showcase that, okay, I have a knowledge of 3 to 4 years as an automation tester. I have done a couple of projects. The couple of projects that I'm going to discuss, those are available on the github.com, but I cannot show you the exact project because I was under the non-disclaimer agreement. This is a very common exercise people do it, but you have to justify your knowledge, Sanjay. Does this make sense?
Yeah, Prabhu. I got your answer.
Got the idea?
Thank you.
This
Yes,
is just one
yes.
strategy I have told you. Okay, multiple strategies that we do. Okay, so you will learn. Not everything I can discuss on this public platform, right? So generally we do it in our private classes whenever we have, right? How you can manage your, so for example, if you have 10 years experience as a manual tester, how you can manage. Is it mandatory? Yes, of course it is mandatory to become an automation tester. How you will manage. So last 4 or 5 years, you will basically showcase that, okay, I have done automation. This is what the profile is. Make sense?
Yeah. Thank you.
Good, Sanjay. I'll see you in the class. Huh? Yes, Karimullah, your question is next. Okay. Divya, you are permitted now. Okay, go on.
Hi, Pramod. Divya here. Actually, I have 3 questions. If you have the time for giving me answers, I will
take all the questions. So don't worry.
Okay. Actually, my first question is, I'm also a testing background only. I didn't mean to degrade the testers itself, because the question is like I heard many times and many once this question. Is the testers have a future? Because the data science and AI right now a trend for learning and growth. So we as a testers survive for this trend.
I think the answer is the people who already know the knowledge of, who already have the knowledge of AI with the software testing, they will survive. The answer is clear. Okay, let me tell you a very simple thing. Okay, right now I'm using GitHub Copilot to write my test cases also, my frameworks which I'm writing.
Okay.
Previously we were not using it. Now we are using it. So I am always one step ahead of you, right? Yes or no? Because I am using AI right now. Yes.
Yes.
So same thing will happen. Same thing will happen. There are people who will learn the AI tools and things, and who will, the productivity will increase.
Okay, so we have a future like using the tools we can survive, right?
Right. And see, automation and even the software testing is something that will never die. Trust me. Because do you trust, and no company will trust the builds to be tested, right? That it is not tested, it is tested by AI and it is gone to production. No. Okay. So it is not possible. Okay. And let me tell you a very funny fact. Okay. When I have started in 2010 or 11, right? Same thing told me. People told me manual testing will die, but there are still manual tester even in my company.
Okay.
So you can see, right?
So follow with the trend like using the tools also we can have a survival.
Good. Right.
Yes.
My thing is you need to keep on upgrading yourself. Upgrading yourself. You should have a knowledge in a such a way that you will survive in this case. Okay.
Okay.
Fair enough?
And another question, like as a fresher have career gap like long 10 years. Are the people
exactly
ready to start
What
as
exactly
a
you have done?
fresher?
What you have done in 10 years?
Not for me. I'm working as a software engineer, like manual testing from 3 years now. But I have a friend like she will wanted to start as a career with a domain of software testing. So she started as a fresher. Like she have an issues like motherhood, parenting, and marriage. Lot of issues
See,
because
this is a
of
very
women.
unique case, but I think ping me on WhatsApp. We will discuss on this. Okay.
Okay. Like, okay, how will she started like as a fresher guy or any other source she can?
I think we will try both approach. I'll tell you, there are previous people. Just to let you all the people. Okay, guys, this is all the recommendation. Let me tell you the way. Okay, there are people from non-IT background and fresher, right? These are the testimony. These are the testimonials from the people who have already done it. See the testimony. There are more than 250 people who have filled the testimonials. I have not filled it, by the way. Okay, and video testimonial, you know, it's a very difficult to get. Yes or no? Video testimonial is very difficult to pick. So these are previous students who have done it. There are people from the, for example, Revti. She was from non-IT. I think she is now working in one of the company. Okay, so there are a couple of people who are already working. By the way, I'll tell you. For example, see Rama Krishna, who already got a job, right? So you can read more about all the testimonials here, right? It's a long one.
Okay, where I get these testimonials in your website only?
Yes, I've just shared on the link. I just shared the link. Okay.
Okay, I'll just copy that link.
In the chat.
And
in the chat.
coming to my question, this is my personal question. Like I have already learned all what you have to offer the courses, but I required one thing. Shall I get only the resume kind of building from you? Like
you
the
can. I mean,
opportunity.
see, opportunity basically means when you become a part of it, that makes more sense, right, Divya? Separately, it will be difficult. But I think it will be a good, what we call revision for you, right? But I'm pretty much sure. Do you know how to create framework in API as well as Selenium?
No, I'm like I'm a manual tester. I have an experience of 3+ years in my organization.
But manual tester,
And,
see, Divya, question to you.
Okay.
Are you getting manual testing jobs or automation jobs right now in the market?
No. I have an experience of manual testing, but I've learned the courses like automation and API also. So can I get a requirement from you And can I get a resume building support from you people?
Resume, generally we do it, no? After generally we, with the course, when course is finished, right, we generally create our resume like this. Like we have a common call, we create a resume, we do resume reviews also. You will see all these kind of sessions in SZ Masterclass. Okay. Fair enough. And one more thing is, I am pretty much sure when you join the program, right, you will see the API automation framework, Selenium concept that we are covering, right? The framework that we are creating, you will able to add to your GitHub profile also. Those will be very unique. And those are the something that right now working in the market. You will basically learn that concepts. Fair enough. So you are
Okay.
learning from the people who's doing right now. That's it. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Ashok, yes, go on, please. Then Abhay, we will take your question. Okay. Ashok, please go on. Ashok.
Yeah. Hi, Pramod.
Yes.
I think from your side, we are facing low bandwidth notification from your side. Are you able to hear me?
Yes.
We are facing some low bandwidth connection from your side. Yeah. Okay. And then my questions are, I'm quickly asking only 3 questions for you. And then present, it is my personal question. Present, I'm learning DevOps related with AWS related. I mean, from the tutorials I'm learning from them. I mean, actually, I mean, say I'm a person pursuing total 3 years or 3.5 years in from the manual testing, and then I'm going to pursue with the. I wanted to learn with the automation with the tool of Selenium, which is presenting in marketing the trend. So. I follow you because I'm following your YouTube tutorials and then your whatever you're
What's your
sharing.
question?
The content I'm
Jump
following
to
from
question
since
quickly.
the pandemic. I'm following it. And my question is, yeah. Okay, I'm coming to the matter. For that, it will be helpful for me my testing career. For that, if I learn that the DevOps, if I continue on that, and then that is one of my personal question. And second one, I think aware of the market situation, present kind of market situation on outside. So present condition, how will we the situation when will get the better? The time will come and then you just because uncertainty we are facing right now. Just as you because you are more than experienced than us and you have more exposure to the multiple technology, multiple environments. So how will when the time period when we will expect the uncertainty will end or may come the normal, not up to the normal, whatever. And then third.
Makes sense. Makes sense. So I think I got the question. So question is, guys, how's the market right now? So market is right now, I think it is improving. So I have seen a lot of HRs who are right now connecting with me, who are asking for the job profile. So I am sending my previous students job profiles right now. And the people who have already enrolled have done the decent work, right? So I'm sharing all the profiles, those things. And of course, DevOps skills are always helpful whenever you add them into your repository, right? If you see in our framework also, as well as in the roadmap also, right? If you see CI/CD is something that I always add. If you see this part, CI/CD is something that I always recommend that we should be adding it, right? So if you see the diagram, CI/CD DevOps related things like Git, Jenkins, AWS, Docker, and everything, right? You should keep on adding this in this case, okay? That's important point. All right, we'll take more question. Nishanti, your question now. Shubham Pandey, you're next. Abhay, you're next now. Okay, so 3 questions we'll take. Quickly. Okay, rapid fire now. We will do rapid fire now. Okay. Kshitij, yes, we will take your question also. Okay, don't worry. Go on. Abhay, unmute and ask. Yes. Abhay, go on, please go on.
Hi, Pramod. Thank you so much for the opportunity. I just have one question. See, I'm coming from a BTech mechanical background. I just want to understand. I do have currently 12 LPA package, and when I will switch to this domain, right? So can I expect around 30% or 40% hike, which will be around 15 to 16? So this is the like.
What is your question then? I didn't
So
understand the question.
if I will continue with this plan, with this course, can I expect on like 30 to 40% hike on my current package, which is of 12?
See, our target is, I'll give you a simple answer. Our target is to target good product-based company like Wingify. And we have a good list of companies also. I have a good list of company. Let me know how many of you want this good company list. I have curated a good company list. Give me I in the chat, guys. I will be sending you this. These are the list which are good that you can target as an automation tester. And I generally keep updating this. Okay. This will be keep updating after 10 days or 15 days. I generally recommend an update. So here you can apply for those companies which will pay you more as compared to them. So that's what our target is. Make sense?
So, but in those company, don't you think, Pramod, they will hire that individual who is having the experience in that domain only? Right?
But they will
Why
hire
would
software
they?
tester, no? Automation tester, no. Automation tester, they are hiring. No, Wingify right now is hiring. Browserstack is hiring. We are hiring Techion, right? We are hiring automation engineer. Do you have good experience of 3 to 4 years or not? We are hiring. So see, it is important to basically showcase and justify your knowledge, right? Knowledge is something which is missing. Yes or no? You guys don't know how to create a framework. You guys don't know what are the topics. You guys don't know how to basically present your resume and everything, right? So that is the main problem right now, which we are solving in this. Make sense?
So just like you have advised others also, so can I leverage my current 3 years of non-tech experience and then I can say
You
it to
can.
them?
What I would suggest is 1.5 year. You can leverage that. Okay, I was an automation tester. This is what I have done. You can justify. That's it. Many people do it. Okay, if you want to read, you just read testimonials and everything. Many people have done it. Okay? This is not new.
Okay,
I'm
thank you
pretty
so
much
much.
100%. I'll tell you very important thing, guys. I have 12 plus years of experience. I have seen people doing it. That's why I'm telling you with confidence. You have not seen people with doing it. That's why. The answer is yes. Yes or no?
But
Right, this
simply like I feel it is not ethical. So
See, feeling is very simple. No, I'll tell you what is it. If I have traveled or I have basically tracked to Mount Everest, I'll tell you it is easy, right? Because I have traveled. Then what you will do? You will take a words from me that okay, yes, this guy has traveled. I will try and I will be able to do it, right? This is what I can do, right? Yes or no? I can give you the roadmap. Okay, this is what you need to take. This how much time it will take. These are the things, equipment you have to take. Same strategy I'm giving you, right? And I will tell you also that okay, hundreds of people have already done it. You can do it too, right? But your feeling is not important. No, is your feeling important? Because your feeling doesn't know. Yes, getting the point what I'm trying to say. You have to ask from mentors, the people who have done it. Don't take advice from the neighborhood auntie, right? Sharma's auntie. The aunties who keep an eye with you, right? They ask from the people who have already done it. Then you will have your right answer. Fair enough.
All right. Got it. Thank you so much, Pramod.
Same thing I have asked. For example, right now, suppose I'm in manager position. Right now, I'm asking for the people who are director. Understood? Who have already are director of quality. How much they are getting? They are getting one CR, 2 CR package. And then you will be like, 1 CR package as a director, is it possible, Pramod? And I was like, yes, my manager is getting it and I'm targeting for it. Because you have not done it. Understood? So that's what I'm telling you. Discuss with the people who have already done it.
Got it. Understood. Thank you, Pramod. Thank you so much.
Go on, Kshitij. I hope you have blown up your mind, right? How many of you feel blow up? Yes. How many of you feel motivated? Good. Go on, Shubham. Achha, before we do, Kshitij and Shubham, just one second. Huh?
Okay.
I hope your time is not getting wasted, right? Yes.
No,
Give
sir,
me
no.
in the chat. Give me yes in the chat if it is not wasted. No, sir, it is not wasted. I am learning, yes. Good. Now,
Yeah.
Shubham, one minute.
I can listen you a whole night, sir, because you are.
Yes, go on,
Actually,
please,
sir,
Shubham.
I have completed my MCA 2022, but I
Okay.
didn't get any job because behind the reason I don't have much knowledge of the any programming. But I
Okay.
want to go in software testing course, and
So I
can I
think
get a job?
programming, did you understood the roadmap? Did you understood the roadmap right now?
Yes.
Okay, do you think you can do it? Other people have already done it. Do you think it is possible?
Yes, sir.
So just give it a try, no? So take a leap of faith, no? So when I was a manual tester, guys, I have taken the leap of faith. I tried my strategy. I have learned things by hard way. What you are getting is smooth way. Understanding what I'm trying to say. You are getting
Yes.
everything in a smooth way. So that's it.
Yes.
Okay.
And can I get a job as a fresher because I have 2 year gap?
Total, what is the total experience, Shubham?
Actually, I don't have experience.
2 years is nothing, no? You can manage. We will manage. We'll see how it can be done, Shubham. We'll discuss on this part, okay? Fair enough?
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes. Okay. Thank you,
Kshitij,
sir.
yes, go on, please. Kshitij Pathak. Guys, we'll do rapid fire now, okay? How many of you are ready for rapid fire? Give me R in the chat. R in the chat. We will take all of your questions. Okay, Raghu one is ready. We'll do rapid fire now, okay? And I really love the people who are serious. You guys are exactly the people who I'm searching of. all the other people who are here, who are not serious, are already gone. How many of you agree with this? Give me A in the chat if you agree with this point. Yes, all the non-serious people already left. I know those people who are serious, and those people get results. I'll tell you a very important point. I will show you the testimonials. The people like Papiya Mukherjee, Revati, Lalit, Satyam, these are the people who have learned everything from scratch. They trusted the system and they are getting the result. That's what I'm telling you. You guys are the same thing. That's what is important. Okay. Yes, go on, please. Who was it? Let me ask the question. Raghu, right? Raghu? Okay, Raghu. Raghu is next. Then we will take question of Jaya. Then we'll take question of Jaya. Yes, Raghu, please go on. Then Manjunath, then Vijay Lakshmi. We'll take one by one questions, okay? Yes, yes, Raghu. Okay, then we'll take Jaya. Go on, please. Manjunath, ready, be ready. If Jaya then doesn't speak, Manjunath, you're next. Jaya, one. Jaya Sudha, talking is permitted to you. Okay, Manjunath, your question, please. Vijay Lakshmi, then we'll take Vijay Lakshmi after this. Go on, please. Go on.
Yeah, hi Pramod, am I audible?
Yes, yes, yes. Who's this?
This is Manjunath.
Yeah, Manjunath, go on, please. Yes.
Yeah, thanks Pramod for the session. Actually, I'm staying in Japan at the moment, so it's
Oh,
already.
is it? How is the weather there in Japan?
Weather is like
It's cold.
quite hot. So
It's cold. Right? It's always cold most of the time.
yes, thank you. So Pramod, like I had already taken up some of the Udemy courses, so I'm working as a, in a product-based company in Japan. So I have taken up already like most of the Udemy courses like previously, and I have some knowledge in automation, but I was unable to implement it because of lack of project details. So like I the curriculum that you had shared it. So like, with full efforts, I think this should make sense. This should make sense and should give good result. So things like with an on-site experience. So can we get something like and I have like close to like 6 years of experience right now on purely manual, nothing else. So how would it be like helpful for me?
I think there's one of these scenario. I'll tell you the scenario. I think you will have your answer. There was one guy, I remember name was Ritesh or Ratash, something like that. He was also doing this thing. He was doing for in US, okay, same thing that you are doing. And he showcased his project that, okay, I have done automation also, I have created scripts also in the next company. And he got a very good hike at that point. So I'm pretty much sure it can be done. Okay.
Yes. Great. So yeah.
So, but the knowledge is important. Knowledge is important, that you should showcase your knowledge, that you have done it. You have your GitHub repository full with projects. Okay.
Okay, great. Yeah, sure, Pramod. Yeah, let's learn together.
Good. Yeah, Vijay Lakshmi, you are next, right? Kshitij, yes, we will take your question also. Okay. Kshitij is saying, Sir, you skipped me. Vijay Lakshmi, please go on. Yes. Okay, Kshitij, we will take your question. Okay, then. Yes, go on.
Hello, sir. If I become automation engineer, and how can I stay in the automation for a longer period of time if I stay updated with the skills?
I hope so. See, more and more tools we should be learning, right? This will be our target, right? Even if automation testing is something that I think after 2030 or 31, it will be more like QA plus DevOps. Both of them will merge, and it will become QA Ops. That I'm seeing right now in a couple of companies also. So this is what my plan also, that we will be covering QA plus DevOps concept side by side. This will become one profile, QA Ops, which I think it's the future mostly in 2030 mostly. This is what my target is. Understood?
Okay. And sir, I don't know manual testing. I'm a Java support engineer from last 3 years. So
that is
can
fine.
I
In a
become
manual
automation
testing,
engineer?
you will get a self-paced course automatically when you join, right? So throughout the 7 days that we have before we start the live project or live classes, right? 30th of March, we are covering the live classes, 7 a.m. So what you can do is, before that, I will send you a video how to watch the manual testing videos. And if you have any doubt, you can ask on sdet.club. All the access will be given to you when you are done. Okay, make sense?
Okay, sir. Thank you,
And
sir,
we
so
will
much.
also do refresher classes also. Don't worry on this kind. Okay, 2 refresher classes we will cover, and there we will have answers. Okay, fair enough. So I
Thank
am
you, sir.
lowering all the hands, guys. Lowering all the hands. Raise your hands again if you want to ask. Quickly, raise your hands again. We will take more questions. Vijay Lakshmi, go on. I think you are done, right, Vijay Lakshmi? No?
No, no.
Okay, Vijay Lakshmi, go on,
Like,
go on, go on. Please.
just I wanted to ask you, I know a little bit about the Python, and as we know, we can automate with the Python also. Can I
Right.
proceed with the Python, or can I learn Java? Means
See,
what?
what I would recommend is only syntax changes. The concept of automation framework, the concept of Selenium remains same. Syntax changes in Python and Java. That's it. But
And
this course is related to Java mostly. Vijay.
okay. And second one is can you please tell me about API testing automation tools like?
We will be learning in Java. We are learning API testing with Postman, of course, which is used for execution. And then we are
Manual
learning
test.
API. It is manually, you can say, but it is used for execution. Okay, that is the correct answer. And we will be learning, you can do automation also by using Postman, by the way, okay, if you don't know. So, and we will be using REST assured library, and we will create our framework also, Vijay Lakshmi. Okay, and that we will upload to github.com. That framework can run for 5,000, 10,000 test cases daily if you want to, easily, for any REST API.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Awesome. Yes, Apurva, you will get it. Okay, you will get it. Sanjay, yes, your question, please. Sanjay, your question, please. Yes.
So my question is not related to as such course, but my question is that in recent time we are seeing that company has been rejecting 90 days notice period candidates and preferring a immediate joiners or a 30 days joiner. Even though the 90 days have better skill set or they are the good technical knowledge, they prefer immediate joiner or a 30-day joiner.
Understood. Very common question. Very common questions. Okay. Very common question. But 90 days, even I also had the 90 days of what we call notice period, right? But I was able to manage. There are few strategy that I have discussed. I'll share a link with you, Sanjay. I think that will make more sense. Okay. In that strategies, you can basically talk to other people or other company, which basically is hiring and everything, right? So you can talk to them. Those things generally we can just do. Okay. So we'll take this question later. Soumya, are we learning the SOAP UI also or only Postman? SOAP UI is SOAP UI is same as Postman. Okay, guys. Soumya Ranjan Pati. It is almost same as Postman. The UI, only UI changes. Everything is done same. Okay. Shantanu saying, thank you for sharing the precious knowledge. Good. Thank you, Shantanu again. Suraj Sharma, I think you have asked your question, right? Is it done?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Okay, sorry. I think I muted you, right? Okay.
Hello, am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Just a very brief question that how from 1 to 10, how much coding knowledge automation tester needed? Can you rate it like because
I think 5 to 6 max. 5 to 6 max. Coding is this, but automation tester you need this to get a job. Understood?
Sorry,
So
please repeat it.
That I have shared you in 30-day plan, right? That is what the plan is, no, Suraj? That we have done.
So I have to be a coder like a 5 to 6 rating so that I can do automation. Is it what you are trying to say?
See, important thing is, apart from coding, API testing and Selenium is also important, no? So you can increase their percentage there. That, okay, API testing I know very well. Selenium I know very well. You can increase the percentage there. I have seen where people have given 3 coding questions. He was able to do only 1. But API testing, he was good. Selenium, he was good. And he is selected in automation job. Clear?
Okay, not for the interview, for the real work when I will be an automation
Real
engineer.
work, I'm telling you, no. See, right now, the framework that you are basically learning, right? Those same framework people are using. So you already know the frameworks, right? Then it is just that you need to manage properly. Smart enough that you need to get. Fair enough?
Okay. Got it, sir. Got it.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Yes, Ashok. Go on. Ashok, sorry for waiting for so long, but again. Yes, Ashok, go on.
Yeah, Are you going to add anything AI generative related to technology
Yes,
for your
there is
junior
one more
content
course
creator?
related to generative AI which is coming, but it will come in May end. But you guys will be all already a part of SJ.club, so you can join it. Okay. Fair enough. You will be you don't have to pay for that amount. Fair enough. Yes, Adil, go on, please. Mohammad Adil. Shiva Yogi, yes, you are next. Adil, you are done. Adil.
Yeah, I'm audible.
Yes, yes, go on, please.
Yeah, sir. Actually, I was asking like I have
Your
previous
voice is not
experience.
properly visible. Sorry, Adil, you're not able to.
Am I audible? Am
Can
I
you type?
audible?
Can you type it if possible? Let me read out your question. Okay.
Yeah. I am saying that I have 3 year experience in product support. So what should be the expected salary for QA engineer, automation test engineer?
3 years you are talking.
Yes.
I
Product
think
support.
3 years as an automation tester, easily you can get between 12 to 25 LPA in INR, Indian INR. 12 to 25 you can target. Good automation engineers you can target. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Ashok, yes, go on, please. Okay, good. All right. Good. Anyone has any questions till now? Give me yes in the chat. So this is how we do it, guys. So I hope maximum number of questions we have covered, and this is how generally I cover. This is how my live classes will be also. Okay, so first of all, we will have the session for 1.5 hours. Then we'll have doubt session. Every doubt session generally we cover. So Aziz has the question. I'm waiting for questions. Okay, Aziz, go on, please. Sonika has it. So Sonika, we will take your question also.
Yeah, actually, my question is,
Yeah.
am I audible?
Yes. Guys, please make sure you join it before 12. Just a quick announcement before 12 so that you get bonuses. First of all, old pricing you will get, access to previous recording, playwright course also side by side you will get it. Yes, go on please now.
Yeah, actually, I have around 12 years of non-IT experience. Yeah, means is it right time for me to enter into IT field? Actually, for the past 2
Only
years,
2 years you have? Only 2 years?
12 years.
12 years. Okay, 12 years it will be difficult. You have to manage lot of things. Okay, so it will be difficult. But you can give it a try. But I have seen people around 8 years, 10 years able to switch. 12 years it is a little difficult, but give it a try. Let's do one thing now. You connect. You have my WhatsApp number. Connect with me. We'll discuss more how we can do it. Okay.
So means I don't have your WhatsApp number. Can you share 1 second?
Yes. I'll share with you. Okay. Yes, go on, please.
Yeah, actually, my major question is that one only.
That is fine, Azim. Got it. Who is this? Who was asking? Okay. Shiva Yogi, yes, go on, please.
Hello, sir. Actually, I'm working as a manual tester currently. So in my company, they are using C# with Selenium. So if I opt for this course, does that help me? Like, I
See,
don't have a
maximum
plan
thing
to switch the company right now. But
makes sense. But my recommendation will be learn with Java because I have seen people with C# crumbling right now to get a job in different companies.
okay.
So my recommendation is go with the generic Java, Selenium and Java, which is widely used.
Yes, actually, if I opt this course, that would help me with my present company technology also, like C#.
Same. See, the framework that we are creating, rest
Yeah,
assured is also in C#. Same function we are going to use. Syntax will change. That's it.
Yeah, you
Rest assured is
already had
there in
told me
C#.
like the syntax will be the difference, but
Right.
all the things will be same. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right.
Thank you for answering the question.
Can I directly jump to an automation engineer? Yes, Shubham. We have hired many freshers as an automation tester. You can do it, but you have to justify the knowledge of, I would suggest, programming language and few things related to API and Selenium. You have to justify. Nowadays, people asking questions related to fresher, also related to projects. So that's why I have added that, okay, as a fresher also you can get it. Okay. Yes, Sonika, your question, please.
Yeah, hi, Pramod. Sonika here.
Yes.
I'm having
Hmm.
total more than 6 years of experience in manual testing, and right now I'm
Okay.
working in one product-based company. So
Okay.
as means 2 months ago I joined that. So
Hmm.
for
Hmm.
right now I'm working in Android application and Windows application. So for that
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
have to learn automation, and Java I
Okay.
learned in a college means 7 to 8 years ago.
Makes sense.
So
Makes
it
sense.
will possible within means if I join this course 4 months. So yeah. So means
It
I
is
can
possible. No,
able
see,
to do after
I am
4 months.
starting from
Yeah.
scratch. I am starting from scratch where
Okay.
you have no idea what is Java. We'll basically create a
Yeah.
basic variable. We will learn about OOPS concept
Yes.
and collection. Everything. We will do everything from scratch. You will be able to understand. Okay.
Okay. So after
Okay.
4 months, I can do the automation, right? On Android as
Right.
well as web
Not
or
after
Windows
4 months.
application.
In between also you will be doing. Okay. You will be doing lot of assignments and you will be uploading your repositories. Make sense? I will be teaching you and we will
Okay.
be
Okay.
sharing screen. I will be coming to your system and we will be pushing from your system code. Make sense?
May
This
may I
is
know the time because I missed in between. What will be the time?
timings. Okay. Timings I'll share with you. Okay.
It is on weekend or daily?
It is TTS. Mostly it is TTS.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Thank you.
Yes. This is the timing. Okay.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Thank you.
Fine.
Yeah.
Anyways, even if you miss the class, you will get a recording soon. Okay. Does
Yeah,
that make
fine.
sense?
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. No need to do Malik Karanj. Malik, no need to do. Guys, whoever has done the payment, right, they just need to connect with the WhatsApp support. They will help you. Okay. No need to do anything. You will get all the details. Okay. Don't worry. You will get all the details here. Okay. You can connect us on a WhatsApp call. Everyone will reply. Team will reply and they will help you in this registering. Okay. So how to register? Very simple. Click, just open the link. Click on the, click here to job ready automation tester. Right. And then just enter your basic details. Please make sure that email ID and this is correct. If you are from India, you can select say Razorpay. Enter your coupon code, which is PRO, which is working right now in the webinar. So it will be a discounted code. Click on complete order and you are good to go. Okay. You're good to go. You can do payment via QR code, via UPI, via GPay, PhonePe, anything, whichever you are using, you can use by, if you are using QR code, you can pay if you want to. For example, you can generate a QR code. You can scan this code by Beam API, PhonePe, Google Pay, whatever it, right? And if you are using card, you can use it. EMI, you can select this card, this option for EMI option. If you are trusting for EMI, you can get it. Okay. Jaya Sudha, your question. Okay, now. Yes, Jaya, go on. Go on, please, go on.
Yeah, I'm audible.
Yes, you are.
Yeah, thank you for the opportunity. Actually, I am working as a manual testing engineer actually, I started my career as in a BPO I stayed there for 11 years, and then I shifted my career to testing in a startup company, and I'm
That's
staying
a
there
good thing,
for.
Jaya. People don't believe it. Okay, I think you are a good example. I'll take a
Yeah,
screenshot
yeah.
or take a video for it. Okay. When I told
Yeah,
people,
actually.
right, after 7 years, 10 years from a BPO, students were able to switch to manual or automation, they don't trust. So you
Actually,
are the light.
I started my career in 2005, and I jumped into the
Many
software
students, no,
testing.
got it. Many students from ATB 4X batch or 5X batch, right? They were from BPO and everything. Now they are working as an automation engineer
Yeah,
in startup.
I worked as a project leader there. Here, I'm having an issue now because of the recession, and since there
Makes sense.
is the
What is your question? Tell me. Tell me what is the question.
yeah, since there is no projects here, they have reduced my salary to 30
That's
percentage.
fine.
Will that affect my future jobs?
See, what
future
you can do is,
salary.
even if they reduce the salary or anything, right? What you need to do
Yeah.
is try another startup where automation jobs they are hiring. I would suggest if you can increase your knowledge by taking any course, right? I'm not saying to take this course, you can take any course. Increase your knowledge and try out that, okay, I have an automation
Okay.
knowledge with almost like 4-5 years also. I have done the projects and everything, right? Give me good salary. I just try to work on startups in Bangalore or any metro city that you want to target. Fair enough. Many
Yeah.
people do it. Many
And
people do it, and it is possible. 100% possible. Yeah.
yeah, okay. Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you.
Awesome, guys. Awesome. So I hope the session was good. Testimonials you can see. Bonuses, I hope you remember Playwright with Java that we are targeting and everything. Would it be worth it if you get manual testing plus API plus web automation in a single thing? Club in this, right? Lifetime access to the master classes this week. How to do, basically, this is the process, EMI. I hope this is a good thing. Thank you for joining. If you want to take a screenshot for this special discount, this is a link. This is the WhatsApp link, and this is a discount code. I hope this helps. Thank you. Sayonara. Enjoy. I hope your time is not wasted. Give me yes. How was the session, guys? I hope your time is not wasted, right? Yes? Good. I hope you enjoyed also. Love you. I'll see you in the live sessions. Whoever is enrolled, thank you for joining. We will be sending you details. Even if you don't receive the email, don't worry. You have sz.live/WhatsApp. We will be replying you probably in morning also. Right? Don't worry on this point. Your payment will be confirmed and everything will be done. Fair enough? Provide a bonus also. Okay. And EMI for anything at all, do connect us on WhatsApp. Okay. I'll see you in the live classes. The people who are serious, let's become an automation tester in 4 months. I'm pretty much sure all of you can do it. And this is the offer. We are going to increase the price now. And this is, it will be like 12,500 in upcoming. So I would recommend, it's a steal deal right now. Enroll it and let's become a member of SZ.club. And let me help you to become an automation engineer. I'll see you. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.